And we are live. There we go. I see TikTok is up.
Tube's up.
Thank you.
Which is up.
Thank you.
Head is ginormous on YouTube.
Thank you. Mark, I'm going to try to join you in the futures training this afternoon again.
Cool. Be an honor.
Let's see.
Thanks for saying that, Coach. Now you just helped me make my decision that I'm not going to the office.
Now listen, I said I'm going to try, so don't you make plans. I'm going to try. I'm going to do the best I
might
can.
want to shrink your head on your camera view there, Coach, a little bit.
Oh, is it ginormous? On Zoom?
Head on that thing. On YouTube.
Oh, yeah. No, I did that on purpose.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I did. I made a big old giant head.
Head on that thing.
Richard, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yeah, Coach, I have just before you give your recording on what to do, I've done some research and would like to add for those of why they should be getting into.
Yeah.
So if you want to come back to me before, that'd be great.
Yeah, absolutely. And it was awesome hearing from Ted this morning. That was beautiful. Good job. I love hearing from people when they come back to say hi and let us know, update us on their lives and what's going on. Listen, people come and people go, right? They have lives, they do things, they do the stuff. I'm just glad when we get them back and we get to hear from them. By the way, Fubo, still rocket ship, over 200% now. You can see Spy is up here on a double
news,
top.
Yeah, Coach.
What's
They
that?
have news. They have news. They buy the Disney.
That is
Hulu,
correct.
I think.
Yep, we went over that this morning in VIP. They made a deal with Disney. So FUBO making a nice move, 200%. Spy pulling back on this double top. Same with ES Futures. Pulling back on this micro pre-market double top. Fubo, though, look at this thing. Who's in there?
I'm in it, Coach.
Yes.
I'm in it, Coach.
Thank you. Nice job. Yes. Thank you, Easter Bunny. Bok, bok. Running all morning long. Callie, your IPOs are posted?
There ain't no IPOs today.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Renee. You got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. How are you doing this morning, Coach?
Good. How are you?
Oh, very good. I just wanted to let you know over the holidays, one of the, when we first started the group, I've been in here for 4 years, but when we first started the group, you had one of the moderators on Twitch was Kaizen.
Yes.
And that was my son. That's my
son. Oh, right. Yes. Okay.
And over the holidays on Christmas, he was driving home and got into a major accident and totaled his BMW.
Oof.
Got into, he's pretty hurt. Broke a few things.
Yikes.
Really just smashed himself up pretty good. I wanted to ask and see if there's any way we could help him out a little.
Yeah, for sure. Create like GoFundMe. That's the easiest way for us to do it.
Okay.
Yeah. And let me know when you got it. Yeah, we'll for sure help out.
Okay. Do I do that on the stock lounge or
Go to
VIP?
well, you have to actually go to GoFundMe
Uh-huh.
and you have to create a website for him. It's pretty easy. You can do it in about 10 minutes, but you got to
Okay.
key in all your information. They're going to verify it's legitimate, all that stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, and if you need help too, just open up a ticket and we can give you some assistance on that because we definitely want to get them some help. So,
Okay, I do appreciate that, Coach. He's
yeah,
pretty
absolutely.
nice.
Prayers going up, man. Big hugs for the fam.
Thank you very much. Thank you, group.
You guys remember Kaizen? He used to do, he was a lot over on our YouTube.
Yeah, I remember him.
Yep.
I remember him.
Yep. Big helper. We'll definitely help him out. Got to take care of family. That's just the way it is.
Thank you, Coach.
You
Love
got
man.
it. Love you too, brother.
Gotta love this family. Gotta love this family.
Look at the upside. Now that he's in the hospital, he can be and
Oh yeah, we get him full-time trading.
That's right.
Right? Yeah, let him know. Look at the bright side.
Look
Now
at
we
Eric
can just
and, David.
hang out.
Look what happened to them. Suddenly get in the EWO training.
Yes,
That's right.
sir.
That's right. For sure. All right. And moderators, yeah, just let me know if you guys need any help or anything from me too, please. Make it happen. Let's see, what time is it? 9:09. Real quick, I want to thank all my amazing moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Nate, Palm Coast, Ange, Aaron, Richard, and Chad. Again, it was great hearing from one of our previous moderators, Ted. Came in, gave us some nice wealth of information on different stocks and things he's looking at. He's doing a bunch of consulting work. He's still trading. He's popping in from time to time. It's great to hear from people from the past. He hasn't been gone that long, but feels like forever. We missed you, buddy. It's good seeing your face again for sure. Hopefully we'll see you a little bit more. That would be amazing. Let's see. We got Marky Mark was in the house. He was gone for a while. Remember, he had some issues with his house with the hurricanes and all the craziness. So we got Marky Mark back. Good to have you, Mark. Let's see. I tried to reach out to Jimmy and Brady just so you guys know, because I just want them to pop in and say hi. I have not heard back. Hopefully everything is well and to do. Last I heard, they were just living life. But it would be nice to hear from them. It's been a while. Same thing with DT. So if anybody hears from DT, let me know. I would love to hear from her again. DT, the female trucker. If you're listening, we love your face. We miss you. We appreciated everything you've done for us. But here in 2025, I just want to remember those that were in here right long ago. Lots of people out there. Paul at the beach, love your face. A lot of amazing people. Now listen, people are going to come and people are going to go, right? Just like our own staff's going to come and go. And the constant is American Dream Trading, though, right? You guys will still have a place. People will still pop back in and see us and hang out and do the things. And hopefully we'll still get to see a lot of them at the meet and greets and the hangouts. But that's just the way it is. Anytime you're in business for any length of time, me running businesses for so long, I'm used to having people come and go. So it sucks when they leave, but I understand and life happens. And, all I can do is try to keep, getting you guys to where you need to go to the next level so you can do that, right? I mean, that's the goal. Yeah, that's the goal. That's the dream is I make you guys rich enough that you can do whatever the hell you want, right? You can buy up all some of these people I'm talking about have bought a bunch of businesses, hundreds of acres of lands, and they're like able to do whatever you want. I mean, that is the American dream. That is what I'm trying to do here is get you guys to the American dream. So I appreciate everybody being here. Thank you to all of our military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Special shout out to my son in the Air Force, 8 years now. Appreciate you, buddy. Excuse me. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. Wow, that was a good one. Thank you. Who was that? Was that Bigfoot?
That was real.
Yep, it was.
Wow, thank you, man. That was a nice horn right there. Did you guys hear that?
My pleasure, Coach.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate that. Everybody in front of you is like, what did I do? You're at a light. Oh, that's great. ISO, ISO, I see you over there. ISO PJ over at American Dream Trading on TikTok in the Marines. Thank you, man. We appreciate your service. Thank you so much. It's going to be an amazing day today. This is a brand new week. Don't forget, the market is closed on the 9th, which is Thursday. It is closed on the 9th for the passing of President Carter. They always close the stock market when a president passes. So please make sure it's going to be a short week coming right into Options Friday. So if you guys are a wheel options strategist, this is going to be a good week for you guys. You guys have a short week. Speaking of that, speaking of the wheel options, not financial tax or investment advice, but I've been saying this for a couple weeks now. NVIDIA is primed for a nice setup for the wheel options strategy. If you guys were listening to me, I think it was same thing about 4 weeks ago. I told you to start spinning the wheel on Tesla. Tesla, same thing, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, which is fantastic for wheel options strategies. Tesla used to be my favorite to do it with just because of the volatility was so great. And the premiums, right? The more volatile it is, the higher the premium. So, again, not financial tax or investment advice, but check it out. Let's see, 9:14. We're going to go into real quick our different products and services. Before I do that, I want to let you guys know we do have 2 major sales going on. If you use the discount code 2025, you can take 25% off any of our memberships. And that is a one-time use. So if you use it for a monthly, 25% off a monthly. You use it for an annual, 25% off the annual. If you use it for a lifetime, 25% you can take off of a lifetime membership. Nobody does that. I'm just doing it for 2025 to get you guys going in the right direction. The other thing that we've got going on right now for the first 100 seats, and I'll have to check it where we're at. I know we're over 50% closed on that. If you guys buy the crypto membership, right now it's $1,500 for the whole year. The whole year. Or, oh, I'm sorry, it's $500 for the year. What the hell kind of sale is that? It's $500 for the whole year, which is normally $250 a month. $500 for the whole year, or $1,500 for a lifetime on the crypto services. You heard me right. By the way, you get our trading view indicators with
Recording
that.
stopped.
Oh, I better do mine then. You guys also.
Recording in progress.
Thank you. You guys will also remember, get that for the whole year for $500 or $1,500 for the lifetime. Richard, you wanted to talk about our products and services before I play my little 5-minute commercial?
Actually, I'll follow you, Coach.
Oh,
That's
okay.
more important. Yep. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. So I'll go ahead and play it now. Is that cool?
Very cool.
All right, guys, hold on just 1 second.
So
Let me get this thing primed. It does save my voice from talking. This is just 5 minutes letting you know what products and services we have. Now, remember, some of this has changed. Like, I think the last thing that it mentions in here is David was up 325. I think last count, David is up like $360,000 now. Just amazing. Amazing. So good job, David. But like I said, some of the things inside of this video will change. We recorded this video like 3 weeks ago, right? But most of it is still a go. Let me get this up. Give me 1 second. There we go. All right. Bear with me. Let me play this. Stick around. Don't forget, if you guys are watching on TikTok today, double tap those screens. If we get up to 300 concurrent viewers at the same time, or 50,000 likes, we'll do a massive giveaway today. Here we go. If you're interested in joining us, head on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You guys can sign up for our free Discord or one of our paid membership. Our first paid membership that we have is our regular premium membership. With that, you guys will get access to our Zoom. Inside of our Zoom, you will have a live open microphone. You will get live training and trading starting at around 8:45 until market close every day at 4 p.m. when the market is open. You guys will also receive the hot stock pick, the pre-market setup, where we go over strategic levels of certain key different stocks throughout the day you can use, and also at the opening of the bell. As a regular paid member, you will also get the IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will get them first, plus all the videos on demand. We have around 11 videos to help you get started on your journey with us here at American Dream Trading. They'll go over things like day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, the wheel option strategy, our 2-minute EWO strategy that I have designed and developed from being in the stock market over 33 years. When you're ready to step it up, you can join our VIP membership. By the way, the premium membership starts at $200 a month. The VIP membership starts at $500 a month. With the VIP membership, you guys will get access to early training and trading starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's 12 hours of access to us with some of our self-made millionaires, mentors. And then you'll get training with me starting around 8 o'clock every single day. You guys will get the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put on a workshop class once per month. You will get all of the previous workshop classes and any future workshop classes as long as you're a paid member. You'll also get all the VIP training videos. We have over 50 beginner and advanced videos to help your journey. We also have the TradingView indicators. These are an overlay indicator system that goes on top of TradingView. It will require a subscription, which is about $15 a month. This is my 2-minute EWO strategy. You guys can use this with stock, options, futures, and crypto. If you're a VIP member and you want to step it up to our highest level that we have right now, which is VIP Gold, you can do that for an additional $250 a month. Now, with all of our services, you can buy monthly, quarterly, semi-quarterly, or annual, and sometimes we have lifetime deals on these, so make sure you guys are watching for deals. With the VIP Gold, you guys are going to get all the mastermind classes for free, and we have another one coming up. I will let you know when that is coming. You'll also get 1 hour of tech support where we can remote in and look at your systems and help you get set up with your charts, etc. This is not a one-on-one, but this is to help you get started if you need it. We also have weekend training every Saturday at 11 a.m. If you guys have busy lives and schedules and your jobs, right, are always in the way of you trying to get training, well, we have weekend training. We also have the VIP Gold Lounge access, the VIP Gold Priority Help Desk support. We have our news service where we're giving daily and weekly outlooks of the news. We also have breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 11 a.m. with our other self-made millionaires and mentors, so make sure you guys check that out. Everything inside of the VIP room is recorded, so all of these sessions are recorded for you, including all the training that I had mentioned before. You can catch all of this in the replays only for VIP Gold members, so if you have busy lives, everything is recorded for you. Of course, we have other things inside of the VIP Gold, like the 90-day challenge, the debt-free challenge, where we're helping you to become debt-free, and our brand new in beta live Apple chat, where you guys can watch one of our moderators, David over there, live trade Apple with the 2-minute EWO strategy that I have designed and developed. He has made currently at this time, as of December 2024, he is over $320,000 in profits that he has made using this strategy over the last 2 years. We also have our brand new futures membership. You guys will start getting training for futures from noon to 4 p.m. every day, and all the training videos, terminology, everything you need to get started in futures with our futures membership. With the futures membership, you guys also get the TradingView indicators. So those are only available to VIP and futures members. Some of our a la carte services you guys can get. You can get a one-on-one with a moderator. We have all of our training videos like the mastermind classes, how to grow a small account part 1 and 2 when it's released, but you guys can buy those from our website. You guys can also get inside of our mentorship program. Our mentorship program is $500 a month. You will sit with me every Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern for an hour in a small, intimate group where we can go over larger items or just get you kickstarted, right? Can be IRAs, 401ks, SEP, anything you guys want to talk about, swing trading, day trading, right? Anything that you guys want to get inside of that room. It's just like having a one-on-one with me every single week. And again, those are all of our products and services you guys can get at any time by going to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Awesome. Thank you, gang. Richard, you want to talk about something real
Yes.
quick?
In 2024, we really focused on keeping on focus, going small, but don't quit. 2025, we want to extend that consistency, but adding follow the rules, all of the rules precisely. So I want to bring up why the people listening that are not paid members yet at this point need to step in now. Getting a 25% on any product that we have, it's not going to be there forever. So sometimes you have to have a sense of urgency and move forward. And what I want to talk about is if you have a job or you're not available all the time and that's what's stopping you. The videos that were mentioned in the recording, there were two this weekend that had volume. One was scanning and the 2-minute EWO training, and there was only 32 people that looked at that. And the other one was Breakout from November 11th with Nate. Nate is one of our multimillionaires and sharing incredible training that you can get, but you have to be a member to be able to get access to these extra training that you have available to have success in 2025. So please, not only members, we need to step up seeing the videos to strengthen our mechanics, but for newbies that are looking to get in or questioning, please take advantage of the 25% discount. Jump in, join us, and we will be there for your success. That's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, we're going to have another amazing year. We had another record-breaking year for profits, unverified, right? I'm not digging into people's P&Ls and all that stuff, but you guys can hear the success stories that we've had in here. They're truly amazing. Not only on the large scale, yes, we have people making 10, 20 million dollars in here, but on the small scale, right? Where people at once were never traded before and now they're able to supplement an income, or now they're able to replace or pay for some of the work that they don't have to drive to work for, right? It's not always about the millions. I mean, the millions look great on paper and we've got a lot of people that are millionaires now. That's not it, right? It's just as important for me to have the mom who's doesn't want to work as much, or the single dad who's struggling and he's sick of working all these overtimes, right? Maybe you're tired of going to work and constantly working 7 days a week. It's just important to you. Or maybe you guys are just now learning about a new skill that you never knew you could do before. This is what it's about, right? It's not always about making a gazillion dollars. Like I said, that looks great on paper and it's nice for marketing to say, yay, somebody made $20 million last year. That's great. But we are here for everybody, the masses, not the few. That's why I have the different prices. That's why I try to cater to everybody, right? That makes sense for us and for them. So again, yeah, if you guys have been interested at all, you can at least come over, join the free Discord, right? I know everybody talks about a free Discord. We have so much information over here, though. This is not the little kids that you guys are watching at 2 or 3 in the morning, right? That have to leave to go to their jobs. This is the real stuff. I've got tons of training material over here to help you out, regardless if you're free or not. We've got tons of education material. I want to get you guys out of that crappy 9-to-5 job. I want you to all live the American dream and have a house and a car and not worry about where your next meal's coming from or the clothes on your kid's back, or being able to put them into cheer or football or whatever programs they're in, right? Music class or whatever. I don't want you guys worrying about all that. Okay? So, oh boy. Hold on just a second. 1 second. Unbelievable. All right. Anyways, so thank you guys for being here. We've got about 3 minutes to the bell. Remember, make sure you guys follow all of the rules, right? Make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade. Do not use real money while you are training. I cannot stress that enough. Make sure you guys are trading with shares, not options when you do go in. Make sure you do not trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. If you are an experienced trader, please be careful the first 3 minutes and the last 8 minutes of the day. That is the most volatile. So please watch some of those. Also, make sure you stop out those losers and let the runners run. That is going to be by position sizes. I cannot stress this enough. Please make sure you have small position sizes so that you guys are able to do that. I don't want anybody, right, getting your faces ripped off. Please follow the rules. All the rules, not some, not your rules, all the rules. Also, please make sure you guys are using your journals every single day. Make sure you are journaling that. That would be great. You need to do that every single day. Renee, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Just want to let you know I put that GoFundMe link on there.
Oh, good, good, good. Okay, I will make sure we post it later today. All right, partner?
All right. It's in the stock lounge and the VIP lounge.
Awesome. Thank you. Great job.
Thank you, Coach.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
yeah.
Thank you,
We'll
everybody.
get them the
Whoever can
help.
help.
Yeah, we'll get them the help.
Appreciate you.
You got it. Give me 1 second here, gang. All right. Legal real quick. American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, and anybody else associated with us. None of us are financial tax or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. Remember, this is a short week. Please don't blow up your accounts. That would be great. We got about 1 minute to the bell. We've already posted our hot stock picks. We've already been making money. Who made money already this morning? Anybody?
I did,
Yes.
Coach.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I did, Coach.
I
Thank
did,
you.
Coach.
Yes.
Yes, sir, I did.
Thank you.
Ain't nothing but a G thing.
Baby.
Yes, sir.
Too low down G's gone crazy. Oh, that's great. That's unfazable, so please don't try to fade this. Italian Frank, thank you for that $2 super sticker over on the YouTubes. I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Holy crap, we're already at 5,000 likes over on TikTok. That's amazing. Thank you. Beautiful. Let's see. Couple of big things that came out this morning. Keep an eye on these. Keep an eye on Fubo, RHE, SPRC, MEGL. Just a couple to name out there right now. All right, here we go. Let's have a great week. Remember, there's no market on Thursday, so everybody be cool. Here we go. All right, let's get this party started. I'm watching RHE right here for a bounce. Watch RHE right here for a bounce. Hot stock pick RHE off this 420 level. RHE, watch for this bounce. Why did I like it here? Because the pre-market, it's touched 4 times here. RHE now climbing. See if this can break 5. RHE looking real nice just to start us off with something delicious. Let's see what we got.
Google way above pre-market level to the upside.
Thank you. Let's take a peek at Google right now. Yes, Google is in a 6-star trade right now. Google, I love Google up here as long as it stays above this. What is this? 194.50. I love it up there in the clouds. Don't forget, gang, the first 3 minutes is going to be the most volatile, right? So please be careful. Thank you. Don't want anybody to get
Apple
wrecked.
way above Apple above pre-market level to the upside.
Thank you. Apple in a 6-star trade as long as it can stay above 245. Has to stay up there. 245. Google still staying up tall. Don't forget, keep an eye on crypto today too. If SPY continues to run, we did see some movement with Bitcoin over the weekend, 98K.
Coin is tanking, Coach.
Is it? Okay, thank you. Oh, sorry, gang. Thank you. I just saw somebody had a block on the screen. There you go. Sorry about that. Over on TikTok. I still had up my other thing. Thank you.
Never mind.
Apple's still looking good.
Thank you. Yep, Apple's still looking strong. Now remember, everything that drove up in the pre-market is going to pull back at the open, typically, right? That's everybody collecting. That's why you
Tesla's
saw
roaring to the upside. Tesla.
Tesla, thank you.
Nvidia new high.
Thank you. Tesla 6-star trade as long as it can stay above 424.50. Now remember, we're 3 minutes in. We just broke past the most volatile time, but it's still dangerous. So everybody be cool. Tesla continuing to climb here.
RHE testing the 200.
Oh, yes. Thank you. See if that can get a bounce again. Needs to break above that 9, though, on RHE on the 1 minute if you guys are looking at scalping that. I want to see that break through there.
SPY's on a double top.
Thank you. Apple still in that 6-star trade. Who's in that Apple trade?
You need to coach 30%
Yes.
and plenty of runners.
Yes.
I am, Coach.
Yes. Great job. Good job.
STEM.
Which one, partner?
STEM. Actress.
SPY new high.
STEM. Sorry, I'm still missed it. Thank you. SPY continuing to climb. Now SPY's on a triple top, gang. You guys see this? 597. Be careful here.
Google new high.
You guys hear the sound of my voice, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Just be cautious. SPY at 597. Tesla pulled back. Apple still in a 6-star trade.
SMCI moving up new high.
Thank you.
Hot stock peak RHE moving up.
Thank you. Tesla pulling back here.
Fubo bounced off of VWAP to the upside.
Thank you. Good call outs, everybody, by the way.
Thank you, Coach.
You guys are crushing it.
Trying to.
Tesla, huge pullback.
Good call on SPY, Coach. You all right?
Yeah, it's just teetering right there at 597. Okay, this is where Tesla, if it's going to have support, it's going to be in this area. 420. You've got the 200 sitting right there. This is where Tesla should find support. If it's going to, it's going to be here. Otherwise, watch for this to bounce off that 200. So we're really close both ways.
Buys on a 2-minute EWO to the upside.
Thank you.
RHE breaking VWAP.
Thank you. There goes Tesla bouncing off 420, but it's not holding yet. It bounced from 420 up to the 9. Holy crap. What is that? Was a $2 bounce. Did you guys see that? Look at this. I'm telling you, it's trying off this 420. Can you guys see it?
Yes, sir.
That's a $2 move this thing's trying to work with 420 to 422 here. Like I said, if it's going to bounce, it's going to be right there, 420. There's your bounce.
Fighting.
Yeah. Got $2.50 move on that bounce, though. Yeah, it's fighting that 9 and VWAP. Everything is jam piled right here.
Yep.
That's the good fight right there. Tell you, if you guys were able to scalp that, though, that bounce 420 right back up to VWAP, that was a nice $2, $2.50 move, right?
Mm-hmm.
Still fighting it.
Who go new high?
Thank you. Apple pulling back slightly.
Retracting my statement on SPY. Sorry.
That's a collection area on Apple. You see that pullback? Yeah, Google continuing to climb. SPY pulled back off the 597. Went
But it's
all
coming
the way
back now.
down.
Sorry.
Went all the way down to the 200 and bounced.
Like that's what Tesla wants to do.
Yep. Let's see if this can run here on SPY. This came back fast for SPY, ladies and gentlemen. That's bullish, but respect the 597. Tesla now breaking through the 200 to the downside. Could not hold. It tried that 1, 2, 3 times. It tried to break VWAP off the 420 bounce.
I got support right there.
SMCI new high.
Thank you.
Support at 418.
Yep, that's what I've got for. Yep, 418.
If it busts there, it's gone.
Yep, I agree.
Mm.
Trade the trades, ladies and gentlemen, right?
Yep.
It did bounce 3 times off 420, but it could not get through VWAP. 3 times it did it.
It wants to go. Bye-bye.
Let's check the time and sales on that.
Coach, RHE is $6.
Oh, is it? Oh, my. Yes. Isn't that the one I was telling you guys literally at the open of the bell, right? I said keep an eye on RHE today, yes?
Yes, and I mean,
Yes.
Yep, that was the first thing I called today. It just hit, this is a triple top.
620.
Yep, be careful up here. Great volume. Good job, RHE. Yeah, I called that right at the open. Anybody that was watching for free, did anybody get an RHE? It was the very first call today, and I said it, what, 6 times at the open?
Yes, I did, Coach. Thank you.
Anybody get into that?
I'm in it.
Thank you.
I'm in. 220, Coach. Thank you.
Yes, nice job.
Check out Micron climbing nicely. MU had news.
Oh, yep, thank you. Yeah, and Ted was talking about that too this morning, wasn't he?
I think it was Michael Bersh's call out new high of day SMCI.
Oh, nice. SMCI, nice.
Lamb Research, LRCX, climbing all the way up.
Thank you. RHA still up here on this. I mean, technically it's a triple, but this is a giant double top off the close previous day. So this is a big level, right? So we want the 630s in gold. There goes SPY breaking through a new high a day on SPY. 597 is everything for SPY. That's where I told you guys to be careful at 597, right? That's where I said be cautious.
Still tethering here.
Yeah, and it's climbing though. It just keeps going higher and higher off this level. It's got to
Just one
stay
bigger
though.
pop.
Yeah, you see the 9 is coming up.
Just a little bit more. Almost there.
Same with RHE. It's about to make new high. Boom, there it goes. RHE, new high a day. Nice job. Beautiful. SPY, new high a day.
Aspect pick Aspect pick GFAI, new high day GFAI.
Thank you.
15 candle rule on SMCI.
Oh, goodness gracious. Uh-oh. My internet going down, or is it SMCI is trying to load? You guys hear me okay?
Yeah.
All right, so it's just SMCI. SMCI, there it goes. Yeah, just cranking over there. MU 10%. Apple, I hope you guys listened earlier when I said that was that pullback. Make sure you guys collect, right?
Yes, sir. And 246 was previously strong on the higher time frames.
See? That's why we
Yeah,
got
Daddy.
that's why we got the Apple Whisperer, right?
And that's why I posted the Cookie Monster eating the cookies.
Yeah, that's awesome. Did everybody eat the cookie when you saw the Cookie Monster? Good. Good job. Look at Soxel, almost 12%. NVIDIA up 3.5% today. Continuing to climb.
I'm in Soxel, Coach.
Yes, nice job. SMCI 15%.
Microsoft new high.
Thank you. Pinterest, new high, 4%. Microsoft, yep, new high, 1.5%. Microsoft, as long as it stays above that pre-market high, which was around 429.30, that's what you guys want that to stay above. As long as it does, it's bullish. SPY blasting off. Microsoft, as we're watching it, taking off to the moon, right? SPY, Microsoft, flying. Look at that on Microsoft. Whew. Goodness.
8% done for the day. Thanks, Coach.
Oh, nice job. What were you trading, partner?
SPY.
Nice job. 8%. Beautiful work. Don't forget, if you guys are futures traders, we have the brand new live futures chat. I can see all the chit-chatting going on over there. Great job. A lot of action happening over there in the live futures chat. Love it. Oh, I forgot.
7%.
Go ahead. 7%. Nice job.
Yeah, also a futures. First day.
Oh, good job, Josh.
Tesla's retesting that 200.
Thank you. By the way, I forgot to mention, if you guys add any new service in the month of January, I'm going to choose one of you. You're automatically entered. I'm picking one of you to spin the wheel of cash to win up to $10,000 for anybody that signs up for any new memberships in the month of January to kick your year off. SPY continuing to climb. Tesla double bottom. 418 support on Tesla. Still fighting this area.
Do you consider that a quick retest?
It was here, right? That was the quick retest. Yeah, this has to punch back up right here. And then, yes, it would be. Because it did it once. Look at this 1 minute candle. You see that, partner?
Yep.
I mean, that's as strong as it gets. And then this one needs to come back and retest it fast too. If it does, yeah, then it'll be very bullish. If this pops back up here to VWAP on this move, it would be very bullish. Here it comes. Come on, baby. Go. SPY. Higher highs. Anybody in SPY or ES futures to the upside?
Yep.
Yep.
Good job.
I am.
That's up a full
Coach.
percent. Yes, go ahead.
Hot stock picks PRC halted up.
Oh, thank you. SPRC halted to the upside. Thank you. Nice job. That's still got some room to go over there on SPRC too. Till you get up to about $1.26 on that double top. SPY could not come back, or I'm sorry, Tesla did not come back to VWAP on that one. This is strong to the downside. You see this? Very bearish here on Tesla. Again, it's trying to respect this. What is this from here? 417.50. 417.50. Yeah, you can see it. It's on the struggle bus here. You guys seeing that for Tesla?
Looks heavy.
Yeah. So again, on this one, right, just to save yourself, do not touch it until it gets into this area for the short. And same up here. I wouldn't touch this until this broke VWAP to the upside. Otherwise, you guys could straddle when it gets either here or here. Both of these would be your straddle spot because both of those are critical levels. So you could do it now off 417.50 because you already know if it breaks that to the downside, you're going to collect. And if it breaks up above VWAP, you're going to collect. And then this is your dead zone, okay? That means inside of here will be no money. You're just waiting, all right?
NVIDIA is fighting resistance. Also, it's very close from 150. So 150 is going to be everything on NVIDIA.
Yep, I see it. Yeah, it's definitely coming up there.
Yeah. I think 150 is going to be a big number.
Yeah, and it's a big number in everybody's head too.
Yep.
Tell you, that's a big move for NVIDIA. 4% with how many shares they have now. That's crazy. That's a good
It's
move.
insanity.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Bitcoin just broke 100K again.
There it is. Nice. That's beautiful, man.
The second.
Yeah, it's funny. I keep seeing all the little kids. It's going to go back down to 26,000.
Yeah,
Here we
right.
are at 100K again. Like, you need to go
Yeah,
back in your basement, get another Mountain Dew, have your mom
You know
make
what?
you
Even if
something
it does,
make
then
a
you buy
sandwich.
more.
Have your mom get you a sandwich. Calm down. Go back. Go back in your room.
You were so right about Bitcoin. That's not even funny.
Well, and you got to remember, right? This is big pro digital currency right now. The biggest pro digital currency this country's ever seen is right now.
NVIDIA is right under 150, like right there.
Thank you.
RHE just bounced off the 200. I'm sorry, off of VWAP. And, well, it had a big candle. Now it's got a big doji. Never mind.
All right. Thank you.
Sure.
NVIDIA is
You're welcome.
150
For nothing.
exactly.
Thank you.
For nothing. Thanks. You're welcome.
Yesterday's news today.
Today.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
Coach, you want to look at FBTC, Fidelity Bitcoin?
FBTC. Yep,
Yep.
I see it. Looks good.
Look, yep.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Oh, NVIDIA above 150.
Thank you.
IBIT as well of BlackRock. IBIT.
Thank you.
It's an ETF, of course.
Yes, absolutely. SMCI continuing to climb.
Yeah, we have sellers on NVIDIA.
Absolutely.
And there's NVIDIA at 150. There it goes.
Yep.
Yep, I see it.
It popped and sellers were right there. Went back down.
Tesla.
Textbook, Coach, textbook.
Absolutely. Tesla's still respecting the 9, still heavy down here, 417.50. This is why I said that, right? This is a no touchy zone, yes?
SPRC hold it up
Oh,
and then
thank
break
you.
down again.
Thank you.
Just be careful. Wow. A new high.
Thank you. There goes Tesla. Broke through 417.50. There's your lights out. Nice. Tesla, bye-bye. Just remember, the way Tesla's moving could bounce really fast, though. If you guys are scalping this, just take some off as it goes, right? So if you got in that runner, seriously take some weight off. Wait for another heavy pull before you add back in, because the way Tesla bounces That thing is bouncing $2 to $3 in one single move, right?
Bitcoin hit 100,000.
Yes, it did.
Microsoft new high.
Thank you. I told you guys when it hits 100, it's going to want to stay there for a while. I mean, that's everything. Everybody wants that. And everybody's talking about it. And the government is looking into it heavy now. And we've got Elon in there, right? So a lot of good things happening in the crypto space.
Yep.
Doge to the moon.
I mean, January is going to be an interesting
yeah,
month this year.
yeah.
There goes Tesla. Who's in that Tesla to the downside? Remember, take some off. Every time this pulls, take some off because, again, it can bounce. Look at it. $2 in one move. So you guys, if you guys are doing Tesla at all, when it pulls, take some. Pulls again, take more, right? Because every time this thing can just, it's hyperactive.
SPRC new high.
Thank you. Hot stock pick, SPRC. Losing my voice over here. It's not even 10 o'clock. SPRC.
Everybody's pulling back except Microsoft.
Thank you. Be careful. SPRC's on a double top.
Yep, eyes on it.
Yep.
I just broke it.
Well, yeah, but it's not
Kinda.
broke yet.
Yeah, it hasn't confirmed yet.
That's right. Just because a candle breaks through, right? That's not confirmation.
For sure.
Now, right there's what I was
Microsoft
talking
stock
about on Tesla. Do you guys see how fast that bounced? You guys see what I was talking about? I told you, right? Take it. It's fast. She's a runner. Who took that quick scalp on Tesla?
I did, Coach.
Nice job. Do you see how fast that is, though? This is why I'm telling you, you really got to be cautious with the way that it moves. Now, same drill with Tesla. I already told you, if that breaks and holds above VWAP, good strategy is to go long. It's going to be quick scalps or tighter stops. Right? There's a go on Tesla long. My stop is below VWAP.
I'm using mental stops, Coach.
Yes. Just if you do, just make sure you have your mechanics down because the way Tesla is freaking bouncing all over the place. It's $2 moves. I'm telling you, gang. Don't turn
26% on TSLL, Coach.
Oh, good job. Great job. SPRC.
Low account already.
Good job. SPRC still fighting this fight right here. Does everybody see this? This is the double top, right?
Yeah, I'm still in it, Coach.
Yeah. This is why I'm saying, though, this is not a break
Yeah.
and hold. This is not confirmed yet long. I would love to see some volume come in and drive through this thing, but right here, it's still in the danger zone. Yeah, this is still extremely dangerous on SPRC.
I got my stop. I'll let it run.
Yeah, good job. You can see
MSDR moving up new high.
Thank you. You can see this comes down to this $1.20 is where it's wicked down twice. You see it?
Yep.
So about 6 cents from here. It's done it twice. You can see this was previous resistance up there too. So that $1.20, there it goes, knife drop. Yep.
Wow.
Right?
Wow.
Yeah, you called it.
Just
did you guys see what I'm saying?
Just triggered. Boom, boom.
Yep. You see how dangerous that is up there?
I know. You gotta have your stuff.
You do.
I mean, here's the thing. It feels like if it's taking too much time to go to that level, it looks like it's just going to drop, and you're right.
Correct.
It can stop you out and bounce again.
That's correct. And if it does, you wait to add, though, right? You never add in the soup again. You wait for new high if you add again, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Because if it pulls once, it can pull twice. And then you know what that would mean. 3 times a lady.
That's it.
I just said that out loud. Get out of my head.
I'll be here all week. Don't forget to
So
tip your
did I.
moderators. Thank you.
Can I ask a dumb question?
Always. Go ahead.
Okay. All right. When a company is being sold to another company
Yep.
and the stock is running, is that good? Is that bad? I
It
don't
depends
know.
what kind of sale it is. Typically, if usually you got to remember it's just being absorbed by another company, right? So that's usually a good thing. Unless it was because, they're weak, but typically that's a good thing. A merge is typically a good thing.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
you got to look for the price that it's being acquired at, and then
Correct.
it'll let up
Yeah.
and bounce.
Yep, exactly.
And
Look
also-
at SPRC. Sorry about that. It went down to VWAP again. See this here?
Yep.
This is why I said, man, this is so dangerous up here. And I didn't want anybody getting too excited on SPRC up here on this double top. That's why I said this did not break and confirm. This is all a double top. See this box I got up here? This
The whole area.
Yeah, this
Yes.
whole area is a double top.
I just wanted to add, Coach, that many times one side it's good for and one side it's less good for.
Yeah, it could be for sure. Yep. And, there's a lot of variables in that, like who's leaving and did they absorb anybody? When they absorb like board members, that's a good sign. They want the strength of what used to be. If they're like, everybody's fired and like, that's not good, right? So the whole thing, you just have to look at the big picture. Is it a cash? Is it just stocks? Like why? What are they going to get out of the deal? SPRC trying to bounce
Yeah.
VWAP again.
Thank-
Great question, though. Listen, no questions are dumb. You hear me?
Okay. Yeah. Just trying to figure it all out, you know?
Yeah. No, I love it. You just keep asking questions. That's how you get better.
Shift change, 1 minute.
Thank you. Volume in 50 seconds. Good call out, Mark. Noonie, go ahead.
Coach, I'm done 15 minutes ago. I don't want to interrupt
That's
you.
okay.
$486. Thank
Oh
you very
my
much.
gosh.
With RHA.
Oh, good job. You hammered it.
Yeah,
Good.
Yeah, I went a little bit bigger and I just worked it out.
Well, good job. Proud of you. Nice work.
Thank you so much, Coach.
Is that
I'm done.
green every day still, right?
Green every day, yes, Coach.
You guys hear that? That is green every day, now over 3 months, by the way. Every day. Every day from a yo-yo
All right,
trader.
good job,
Great
Noonie.
job. Great
Right?
job.
Because of you.
No, actually, it's because of you. You listened.
And you teach very well. Thank you,
you.
Coach.
Thank you. Good job. I'm so proud of you. Love your face. All right.
Love you more.
10 o'clock. We got shift change, ladies and gentlemen. Shift change. Speaking of that, Noonie, 3 months every single day. Just so you guys know, our moderator, David, who's over there doing the live Apple chat, has been green every day for over 6 months. Let me repeat that for those of you in the back. Every single day green. Not every trade's been green, but every day has been positive green for 6 months straight. For the record, I just need you guys to know this, right? I've been doing this for 33 years. That's the longest streak I've ever heard of in my life, just so you guys know. 33 years of me doing this. 6 months green every single day without a red day is the longest streak I've ever heard of in my life, just so you know.
Tesla's on double bottom almost.
Thank you. That's
And
one of our moderators right there. Go ahead.
Screenshots were posted and everything, so
Yes.
it's all
Yeah, it's all
entries,
there.
exit. So
That's incredible. David, just so you know, that's the longest consecutive streak I've ever heard of in my life for any stock market in the known world. Just so you know. No pressure.
And he posts his trade
Every day.
for us to
All of
see every day, so we know it's true.
It's just crazy.
Screenshot it every day, every time.
I want you to know how good you are, David. You hear me, young man?
Yes, sir.
You're a freaking genius, and I love your face.
Yeah. Got to break more ankles.
Yep, more ankles need to be broken, right? We need a. Is this a Tanya Harding situation? Oh boy. Sorry. Bad joke. My bad.
How many years ago was that, Coach?
It's been a while.
It sure has.
Yeah,
So some of
yeah.
these people don't understand what you're talking about.
Right. Everybody be cool. All right, let's see. Spy bounced off of the 21 on the 1 minute. Let's take a look at that SPRC though. We saw this pull back.
He's still trying to
It
break.
did, and it bounced off of VWAP 3 times in a row. Look at this. Here it comes for a retest.
I don't know if anybody said this, but Boxel, BOXL, is suspended to the upside.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I don't think anybody did.
Find new high.
Good job. Good call out.
There you go. SPRC is getting closer.
Yep, I see it. I see it. And it came back fast at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes to come back. So that's bullish. And now we're back
There
up
you go.
here again.
There you go. There's a break.
Yep, there we go. New high, SPRC.
I picked it up for VWAP.
Oh, good job. See, that is a good trade.
Coin is breaking a double top.
That's it had just suspended to the upside. SPRC.
There you go.
That's amazing. Good job. Yeah, Boxel, ridiculous up there. Thank you for that. Good job. SPRC. So you guys saw though, right? It was lingering around the double top, trying to break through, never did, pulled back, hit VWAP 3 times in a row. And if you look at it, the 21 is right here and VWAP. So we've got 2 major indicators. Bounced, came back up, new high a day. And you scalped that off of VWAP. You are amazing. You get a sticker. Where the hell are my stickers? You know what? You know what? You know what I got for you? Even better? The American Dream Trading Drink Coaster.
Oh.
Yep. That's for you, man. Nice job.
Thank you, Coach.
Yep. You can put your Pabst Blue Ribbon on that while you're trading.
I saw it was respected like that. VWAP was respected on the penny. So I said, you know what?
Yeah, and it 3 times, right? Ding, ding,
Let me
ding.
pick it up from there. Yeah, and with the tight stop. So.
Oh my gosh, what are you, a
That's not
master
good.
trader now? What in the perfect executed trade?
We're getting better, Coach.
Gosh, that's great.
We're getting better, thank God.
Yes.
Coach, on hold time for hot stock pick SPRC 10:08:25.
All right, thank you. Did you hear that? You got the babies crying over it.
Slapping their babies.
Yep, you were punching the
No
babies,
slappy.
making them cry while you were taking that cash.
Was that you or a real baby?
No, that was Sam's mic opened up. That was Sam's baby.
Thought you found the baby
You
noise.
thought I hit the baby sound effect?
I did.
Oh, that's great. Whoa, United Airlines. Speaking of going to the moon, look at this thing. Beautiful.
Coach, look at Tesla.
I'm on it. Oh, yeah, still lights out. That's beautiful. Below that 417.50, that was everything for that one, right? Diesel dances, no slapping the baby. Yeah, everybody be cool.
United Airlines is signing to do Starlink for their in-flight.
Oh, I saw that. Tesla right here, be cautious. This is a bounce zone. Be careful right here. You guys see this? You got 2 spots.
We call it feeding the baby now. Feed the baby.
Feed the baby. Right here, though, be careful. What is this? 413.50 on Tesla. You guys see this on my screen? Look. Here and here. You see this?
Are you saying don't take it to the downside?
Well, I'm just saying be cautious around 413.50. It could bounce. Let me look. or it's just bouncing right now at 413. So if you look at this is what I'm saying. Zoom way in. Oh, yep. See? Yeah, right here. 413.15 and 413.70. You guys see this? These two spots. This and this. That means I'd be watching out in here, right? Ah, get this pen out of my hand. And look at where it bounced, right? And what does it do? It bounced all the way up to the 9 on the 1 minute. It's beautiful. Thank you guys for being here, by the way. We're at 10,000 likes over on TikTok. Thank you so much. Don't forget, 300 concurrent viewers or 50,000 likes, and we'll do a giveaway today. Make sure you guys click that share, click that follow. Have you guys been watching our YouTube videos, by the way? We have been dropping some absolute bombs over on the YouTubes. Sorry, I'm changing one of these cameras. This is camera 3. Hold
Seeing
on.
a lot more of ADT's videos pop up my feed on TikTok on a regular basis now also.
Yeah, I'm starting to see, we're really getting a good push over on TikTok now. Sorry, I got to change this camera angle a little bit. There we go. Is that better or worse? Let me look. Tesla, be careful off this 9 right here. If this is going to pull again to the downside, it's going to be off of this spot.
Coach, look at NVIDIA. Look at it.
Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. It's beautiful. NVIDIA 4% now.
SPRC resumed and going up.
Oh, nice. SPRC resumed to the upside. Great job. Now, if you guys caught me at the beginning, I told you to watch this one. I gave this one to you for free. Those of you that are watching, right? I gave this to you for free. I called out FUBO, RHE, Fubo, and Megal. I gave you those 4, I'm sorry, right at the open for free live. I hope you guys took advantage of those.
Uber had news and it's looking good.
Thank
Heading
you.
up.
Thank you. Uber is not looking good yet. What are you watching
It's starting
today?
to. It's going up.
Christina, where are you at?
Yes, watching Uber right
What
now.
in
Well,
the
no,
world is going on with your call outs today, young lady?
Richard, every time I call something out, it changes. The second, I swear it knows I'm saying something. I swear to God, as soon as I say it, it turns the other way. I mean, what the hell? That's why I shut up now. But I just saw Uber, and it's starting to go up. Richard called out Uber this morning.
Don't be a Richard.
Coach, you are not
Yeah,
right.
thank you, Coach. Don't worry, Krishna. It happened to everybody.
Everybody be cool.
Don't be Richard.
Everybody be cool now. SPRC. Is this thing going to halt to
I
the
already have
upside
that
again?
t-shirt.
Look at SPY climbing a little bit.
SPRC just halted again to the upside. Nice. Oh, good. DC.
Coach.
Yes.
Up 84 on SRPC.
Yes.
Yes.
Good job. Good job. SPRC getting it done. Anybody else in SPRC?
I got out.
Nice job.
I'm in.
Did you make some money in there? You're in. Nice job.
Yep.
Good job.
DJT keeps moving up in new highs.
Oh, good. DJT to the upside.
Coach, but we get close to major resistance on SPRC if you look at the daily charts.
Oh,
if you go back to April, it's like
yes.
major.
Good to know.
Yeah.
Now,
So
what
you
did
don't
I
know
tell
why it's
you
going to
guys?
pull back from there. What?
Yeah, we'll watch for that. What did I tell you guys in the pre-market about watching the crypto stock? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
What'd I say? Look at coin. 6% now. MSTR, 4.3%.
Bitcoin 101.
Look at this. Riot, 3%. If only there were one place you could go to get this kind of information. Just one.
There is only one coach. It's American Dream Team!
Yes!
There's only one man who would dare give me the raspberry. Lone Star!
Yes.
Did you guys see I even flipped the helmet down? Yeah, you did. Yep. All the theatrics going on over here.
Loving the helmet flip.
Yeah, did you see me do that?
Yeah.
Is that Spaceballs?
It was Spaceballs, yep. Oh, that's great.
I love that movie.
Yeah. Nice. Let's take a peek here.
He said comb the desert. We're combing the desert.
Yeah. How about they had the pick out there?
How about you guys? You find anything? We ain't found shit.
Yeah, we ain't found shit. Oh, that's just great.
Coach, on hold time for hashtag pick SPRC is 10:15:07.
Yes, it is. Thank you for that. Nice job.
Mm-hmm.
Carvana's
Short for
starting
Bartholomew.
bad news.
Yeah, Bartholomew. What do you say? I'm a Mog. I'm half man, half dog. I'm my own best friend.
It's my industrial strength hair dryer, and I can't live without it.
Yeah, and I can't live without it. I see your Schwartz is as big as mine. Everybody right now, stop it. You shut your mouth and you call out the stocks and you don't say nothing else. I paid $50 and I will get my money's worth. What's your WhatsApp?
Let me just
and
get back to the
Telegram?
task at hand, please. I'm trying to learn
Yeah,
here.
what's your WhatsApp and Telegram?
On my 50 bucks
Did
back.
the person just say that?
Oh my.
It
Inside
picked
joke,
the wrong
Joseph.
moment to say that also.
I know it.
Whoa.
By the way, you have to hate it when I have to kick out ex-NFL players for that kind of crap. But hey, guess what? I told you we are the stock market traders of the stars, but I don't care what kind of stardom you got. I don't care. You can't follow the rules. You can't behave yourself. You're out of here, NFL or not. See ya.
He's privileged.
See ya. See ya. See. You like that? The small version? See. SPY continuing to climb to the upside. Please tell me you guys in SPY and ES futures still to the upside.
Yes.
That's glorious.
1 minute on hold time
Yes,
for
sir.
hashtag pick SPRC, Coach.
Thank you. Diesel Dan says, I want my money back. Oh, that's great. Oh, good.
Coach,
My money and I want it now.
Yes.
NUKK just hit 30, almost 32 and a half bucks.
Knock, knock.
Knock, knock. Who's there?
American Dream
Box.
Trading.
Boxel. BOXL keeps moving up, new highs.
Thank you, Boxel, BOXL. Nice job. Yeah, Diesel Dan also says a lot of them are popping up in his TikTok feed too. Nice job. You media team, are you hearing that?
SPRC unhalted.
Thank you. To the upside.
Job, team.
Oh, it's fighting.
Yep, I see it. SPRC unhalted to the upside. Yeah, good job, media team. We're making a difference over here. We're starting to get some traction. You guys should start seeing my YouTube feeds too. We just spent some money on our YouTube ads, so hopefully you guys will start to see our videos being promoted out there. I hope you guys are watching those videos. We have 2,000 videos on our YouTube channel. All I ask is you click the subscribe. If you're feeling really frisky, hit the share button. Hit the notification bell so you are alerted when new videos come out. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. Not asking for much. I ain't asking for much. I know you were thinking it, Dawn. Get out of my head. Get out of my head.
Get out of my head.
Yup. Christina.
Yeah, you know it.
Yup.
Coach SPRC halted down. Be careful, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yep, I see it. And didn't one of our members say that it was SPRC was up on the yearly?
On the daily chart, yeah. Yes, coach.
Good job.
Yeah, I went all the way to April.
Nice job.
SPY is breaking the
Now
21.
listen.
Nope, maybe not.
Oh boy, Christine.
Sorry.
Christina, you know what?
I should
That's
just say it if I don't want it to do it, so I'll
That's
just
it.
say it
That's
first.
it. Damn it.
Well, it is. Look at it. Look at SPY.
It's just not your day, Kristen. Not
I
today.
know. It's
Not your
okay.
day.
I'll just inverse your call outs.
Yeah, there you go. Inverse Christina. It's
Inverse.
Christina.
That's it. Everything I say,
get
just do
my
the opposite
name
because
right.
it does it, and
You
that's
get
good.
my wife's name
Index.
right. It's Christina.
I don't know what the problem is. Christina.
You need to take a nap and come
You
back
can't get
later.
it right.
Oh my. Good job,
Was
Christina.
it download
Oh
or
my
groundload?
Good job. You
Was that a
activated the
flush?
toilet bowl.
Yeah.
Good job.
You download the brown
man.
load.
Takes quite a bit to activate the toilet.
You've been
Wow.
flushed.
Yep, you got flushed. Coin, new high a day, almost 7%. Please tell me you guys heard me. I know VIP did, but everybody at the open. And I said, watch crypto today, right? Bitcoin was on the move, but I told you, obviously, if it runs up in the pre-market, it's going to always want to pull back to collect to make the money, right? Pulled back, found support, boom, new high.
Thank you, Coach.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Did you get in there?
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice job.
I gotta help my kid today, man. I gotta help him out.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
By the way, Nvidia is still climbing.
Oh, nice job.
I did comment
Hey,
if
Coach.
it goes under above 150.
Yeah, it's
that.
beautiful. Yes, go ahead.
Is that starting to cup and handle on a 2-minute on Apple?
Let's take a peek. Yes, it is. Yeah,
Awesome. Thank you.
yeah. I mean, it's weird because there's a double top here, and then of course the natural, like I like to call it, the natural double top, which is the last one here. But you guys can clearly see all of this information right here working this, right? So yes, as this bounces, if this bounces off the 9, comes immediately back up for a retest, then I'll be looking for this all the way up to the natural double top.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep.
Microsoft keeps moving up new highs.
Thank you. You can see though, this is a big deal right here. Look at Apple pre-market right here and right here, right where, I mean, it's sitting there now, right? This 245, 30-ish around this area. I mean, it's going to be off by a couple cents, obviously, but look at it. This is a big spot right here, right now. Everybody see this?
Yes, sir.
Is it too late to get into coin? Let me take a peek. Asks Tyler over on TikTok. I mean, coin's still running, right? It's now 7.2%. Here's the thing. If you're not in it yet, what I typically recommend is wait for this thing to breathe back, right? You want to see this pull back to this 9. If you're scalping it on the 1 minute, I'm looking for this thing to breathe back to the 9. The reason is because most likely when it hits this 9, you can see it tries to break through. But when it gets to the 9, this is your best entry if you're trying to quick scalp this, because we don't have VWAP, the 200, the 21. There's nothing up here in space, right? So when that happens is I'm starting to look for the 9. Remember, it acts like a magnet. It'll constantly and forever want to come back to this 9. So again, I wait for this breathe back to come back here. This is where I get in. And if I'm getting in at the 9, right, then my 21 is always the buck stops here, meaning my stop loss is at the 21. I don't want it going beyond that, because if that breaks through and holds on this 21, right, then it's going to want to try to flush down to these key areas, which are here, 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 and of course VWAP, right? So I don't want that. I don't want nothing to do with that. I want to stay up nice and tall. I want to either add on the 9 if you guys are still in a good trade, right? You guys can always add on the 9, or if it breaks through the 9, if you guys are in the trade still long, if it breaks the 9 to the downside, you guys know to take some off, right? If you guys are in this long trade, by the way, if you're in the long trade and it breaks through the 9, you already know to collect, right? Not all. Shedding technique. Okay, good. Good job. Now, do you see where a coin touched the 9 right here, Tyler? I know you're on a delay, Tyler, but hopefully you saw it. Thanks. You're welcome. Everybody see where it touched the 9 right here? That's what we're looking for, right? You're looking for a bounce off the 9. Consolidation areas will be dangerous. So if I'm trading coin, I've also got Bitcoin on my screen. Just so you guys know. Is this not pulling up? There it is. So if you guys are trading any of the cryptocurrencies, Coin, MSTR, Riot, Mara, etc., keep an eye on, I would have another chart with Bitcoin and another chart with SPY. Bitcoin typically follows SPY. Coin, MSTR, Riot, Mara always follows Bitcoin. Okay, unless it's some sort of news catalyst, and then usually they all bring each other up. So I'm using all of these in conjunction with each other. If you look at Bitcoin and you looked at coin together, aren't these almost identical, right? So I'm watching these in conjunction. Now, if you guys are trading cryptocurrency, I might as well throw this in here because we also do crypto now. Bitcoin, you are going to trade the exact same way. You see the 9? We scalp off the 9. We get out if it falls below. If you've been in it the whole ride, right, then when it breaks through the 9, I collect. And then when it goes above it, I can add. And I don't want anything, the same with Bitcoin. I don't want anything if it falls below the 21, then I'm out. And then I wait for the next entry. Look at Bitcoin pulling back here, and you should see coin follow suit. Do you guys see this? We want to see a slowdown of Bitcoin pulling back, and then coin will slow down. Look at Bitcoin. Keep an eye on these together, right? This is what we do. So if you guys are trading crypto and or this case options as well, this is what it looks like, okay? Don't forget, right now, ridiculous crypto deal, $500 for a year or $1,500 lifetime on our crypto membership. There goes coin with a nice break. Tyler, did you scoop up coin when it touched the 9, right? That was your scalp off the 9. Isn't that what I said, everybody? You want to scalp it off the 9, wait for it to pull back, touch the 9? Okay, good job.
Gold futures, gold.
Thank you. Gold is ripping over there, Mark.
A little bit. Broke above VWAP and the 200.
All right, thank you. Good job. I see the cues are nice and long to the upside. Go ahead.
I was gonna say watching Uber is like watching paint dry.
Yeah, it's yeah, I would want nothing to do with that right here. We got so much other stuff happening, right? Now,
Yeah.
now if that breaks above VWAP, then I look at, I just set an alert. I would literally just set an alert on that for $67 and then start looking
Well, I
at
got
it.
it low.
Oh, good. Okay.
Yeah. Even though that I went against the rules.
That's okay.
I only did that because of news, the positive news.
Yeah. That, and as long as you had a tight stop for a knife drop, you were okay, right? To start out?
Yes.
Yep, good job. Look at coin explode. If you guys got it, by the way, media team, Here's your end result, right, of that training video we did. How to scalp using the 9 EMA title. Wow, what a title, coach. Did you guys hear the way I came up with that on the fly? That showed you coming back to this 9, right? Here's our end result. Look at this thing pop. Who got in on that, by the way? Just did the whole training live.
I did, Coach.
Nice job.
Thank you, by the way.
Yeah, that's a beautiful trade, right? That's what we look for, is those nice levels like that. Spy continue to climb. Christina, do you have any call outs that you'd like for us to inverse?
I don't want to say anything because I like what it's doing now, so I'm not going to say anything because I want it to keep going that way.
You gotta say it though. You gotta say
No, because you know what's no, I'm not saying nothing.
Come on.
No, I can't. When I'm not in the trade, then I'll say it. But it affects me right now.
Okay.
I'm not saying it.
All right. Right now.
I'm thinking it. If I think it.
Christina's the friend that you bring to the bonfire and the smoke keeps chasing her around.
Yeah.
Right? No matter where she sits, the smoke is in her face. That's what's going on right now.
That's been happening for a while now. I don't get
That's
it.
what's happening. You guys heard it here
Damn it.
live.
Yeah.
Just,
look at it.
We're just full of useful information today.
I've seen smoke do that before.
It's happening to her right now.
Look at it. Did you see
the? Look at
Gold
MSTR.
critical level. Gold critical level.
Thank you. Look at MSTR. New high a day. 7% on MSTR. Right? My goodness gracious. You can barely hear me talking. Is anybody else having that problem on YouTube? Let me know. Everybody on YouTube right now. Let me know on YouTube. Check, mic check. Let me know. Check, testing. I'm going to turn it up. Check. Testing. All right, it's up now. You let me know. Check, pop, popsicle, pop. Popsicle, pop. There it goes. You let me know, Midwest, and thank you. It should be glorious. The coach is now over here in super stereo quadraphonic sound.
Coach, I got you fine on YouTube.
All
no
right.
problems over here.
All right. Thank you, partner.
Yes, sir.
Tenzin, hi, coach. You're great.
Super stereo.
Super.
Studio.
Studio. I thought same thing, Christine.
Wow.
Hey guys, guess what I did this weekend?
Oh no.
Well, I spent a whole day in bed.
Wait a
sick
minute.
As anything, but
now
I did a little online casino.
Wait a minute. Before you say anything, just remember we're live. Before you say what
I know.
Okay.
I
All right,
played
go
an
ahead.
online casino and I hit the $1,000 jackpot.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Nice. Good for you.
You know I'm sitting here worrying about how I'm gonna get this. I always work it out. Things like that.
Yep.
See? Boom.
Good job.
Yeah.
She said boom.
Boom. Got it.
Bada boom, bada bing.
Bada bing.
Gamble a little bit
Oh
and
boy.
boom.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Just don't bring that gambler's mentality over here, okay? That'd be
I
too
have
late.
not.
Okay, good job.
Okay.
Good morning, Coach.
Good morning. Talk to me, Goose.
Can you take a look at Amazon right now?
Absolutely. And Fubo, I love right here. Fubo, I want to see. Hold on one second. Fubo, you guys break this 363. Love it right here. Just make sure you got a tight stop staying above VWAP. Amazon, let me look now. Oh, yeah, Amazon is glorious. Amazon was a 6-star trade as soon as you broke 227.50. So same thing, partner. It needs to stay above 227.50 for me to love it, which is nice because you've also got the 9 right there, right? So if you want, So if you want to stay long, 227.50. Fubo, I still like Fubo right here. Like I said, I love Fubo above this 363. Anybody rocking this Fubo above 363 with a tight stop below?
Yep.
Good job.
Yep.
Thank you. Yeah, Fubo, I'm loving this up here. The reason is you've got you got tight stop here. You got nice move to here, right? And you've got a massive gap up to the upside. Love you. I love you, baby. Do you see this? Look at this. That's why I like it, by the way. You can have these tight stops just to protect you here. But look at the gap up on this monster. You got big move to here, here, and up here. You guys seeing that? I love that.
A perfect low risk, high reward setup.
Yes, those are my favorite.
I'm in it, coach, up 25%.
Oh, nice job. By the way, welcome back.
Thank you.
And Palm. And Utah. Palm, welcome back, brother. Good to see you again.
Thanks, brother.
Now listen,
Good to hear you too.
No pressure, and I know you were doing great things in December. Did you ever get close to that $1 million month?
Yeah, I got pretty close. I got within 7,000.
Are you serious?
I did not hit it though. I did not hit the goal though.
$7,000 away. I think that's pretty darn close.
Yeah, it didn't sound up.
I'm gonna have to go out on a limb, and I'm gonna have to call it. I would call that $1 million month. Anybody else agree with me on 7,000? It's not like he was 70,000. 7,000 away
Coach.
from a
Absolutely.
million.
That's like a nickel away from a dollar, you know?
Congrats,
That's
Palm.
so close.
Congratulations, Palm. That's awesome.
Yes.
Coach, I bet,
Nate would say
gross of
no.
fees.
Good job, Palm.
Gross of fees, you made it.
Yeah, I was being pretty overcautious because I was in a position where I didn't want to start forcing trades.
Yeah.
So I'd rather just hit where I hit normally.
I agree.
And rather than get my neck stuck out too far.
Nice.
Hey, Palm,
job.
you earned it, Palm. Good luck.
Yeah, great job, brother. Very proud of you, man. That is that'd have been a hell of a feeling, right? That's a crazy month.
Yeah, pretty good celebration this weekend in South Beach for sure.
Good for you, man. So
thanks.
Just to put it into perspective, ladies and gentlemen, $1 million month, that is a family of two, right? A family of two working full-time for 20 years to make $1 million. 20 years for a family of two working full-time on average in America. That's what he just made in 1 month at American Dream Trading. Good job. Nice job. That's incredible.
Breaking news, it looks like Justin Trudeau is going to resign.
That's awesome.
Fantastic.
I'm not even gonna say anything.
Everything's gonna shoot up.
Yeah.
CAD-USD.
Nice
CAD-USD.
Thank you. Not even gonna say anything.
Cracking up, coach.
Yeah. Not even gonna say anything. Welcome back, Canada. Welcome back. Welcome back. You know what that means? Canada's about to get the money train. Here we go. This is for all my brethren, my brothers and sisters over in Canada. Little something for you. Get the money train out. Let's go. Good job. Nice job. By the way, speaking of money train, who's still in Fubo?
In it, coach?
Yes.
I am, coach.
Thank you.
Yeah, me too.
That's beautiful. Just remember.
BOXL. Hold it to upside.
Oh, nice job. Thank you for those call outs on BOXL, by the way. Just so you guys know, when our members started first calling it out, BOXL was up 70%. It's now up 219%. So 70 to 219%. Love it. Love it. Saxel, we talked about earlier this morning, hit 33.63 before this pulled back. Beautiful.
Volunteers pregnant in your channel.
Coin still staying up nice and tall. What's that, partner? Go ahead.
Sorry, Palantirs broke a triple top. Moving
Oh,
up.
beautiful. Beautiful. We've been talking about Palantir for a couple of years here, by the way. Absolutely love that stock. Told you guys since the beginning. I said, I don't care if it's a meme stock. It actually is a real tangible stock. I've been saying this for years with all their government contracts and all the things that they do. And then they got included right across the board. PLTR, just one hell of a run.
Yeah, I remember when you said
Might have been around $17
when
a
they
share.
went commercial.
Yes, remember? And I said, that's
You
a
said
big
it's
deal.
all over.
Yep. I said, this is amazing. Boxel is live. BOXL is live. Yeah, there's been a bunch of those, right? Do you guys remember me saying the same thing about Reddit? I said when this thing IPOs, or I'm sorry, when this, remember? We were talking about when this IPOs, I said, you watch this thing. It's funny, I haven't even been keeping an eye on it. You guys remember me saying that, right? I said it has big enough.
Said you watch it, even the Reddit people will drive it up.
That's right. I said it has its big enough following on its own to drive it up. I want you guys to look at this. Funny, I haven't even talked about this since then. It opened up at $52. Today, it sits at $180 in 8 months. Yep. I wonder where you could get that kind of information. Weird.
Wow.
That's weird.
VIP Gold newsletter.
Whoa. Nice. This was pre-gold letter, I think, but
yes, it was.
But now, absolutely. Now everything will be in the gold letter. Absolutely.
However, we were playing PLTR in the pre-market when it was literally a buck or two.
Exactly. Yeah, when it was pennies. Yeah.
I'm pissed. I sold mine at $12. Yep. I made money, but hey,
How long can he go? How long? How long?
That's what my head sounds like.
I could have went for a while, but we probably would have lost about 100 people on TikTok. I'm not going to lie. You guys know if it was the aftermarket, I would have gone for it.
Yeah, but imagine how many viewers you would have if we would have heard a thud on the floor and you said,
I had
That's right.
100 shares.
Stock market trader drops dead on TikTok live.
Yep.
Yep.
That noise is
What
still
is
in my
happening?
head.
What is going on?
What is happening?
Hey, don't forget, if you guys want to join us, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You can sign up for a free Discord today and get started on your trading journey. Thank
That
you.
noise is called trader's tinnitus when you do a dumb move.
That's right. When you get stuck in that loop, when you sell off your PLTR at $11 a share.
Bought it at 2, but then I needed cash.
No, I hear you. It happens. Trust me. Don't feel bad. I was a part of Tesla's IPO. I do not have
Exactly.
them. I do not have it at that.
I also sold all my Tesla that was at 107 when you said to buy because I needed cash.
Yes.
Waiting on my WorldCom to come back up.
Yeah. Still waiting on that Radio Shack to bounce. I can tell you that.
Do you have a sound effect with birds flying away representing the money lost?
Yeah, really. Yeah,
Come
really.
on, Kmart.
Yeah, come on, Kmart. Get that blue light going again. Here's
Blue light
Kmart.
special. Hey, Marcus, you can get it at Kmart.
Still waiting for Sears to come on back.
Yep.
Sears and Roebuck.
That's right. Used to get all your tools at Sears. You guys remember that?
Riding mower.
Walmart has all their inventory.
Sears used to have the best warranty on their tools.
They'll have all my Craftsman tools that I bought from Sears.
That's right.
Far and away, Craftsman. Yeah.
Yep.
Now
5
you know why
years.
they're out of business.
Yep. They're probably still good though, aren't they? All your tools.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Broke a ratchet once, cranking real hard, but other than that, no, they're all still there.
Yep.
Didn't they have that on their tires too, or something like that? some crazy warranties.
Did they? That I don't remember. But I do remember, yeah, I do remember going there as a kid, like a kid, and getting tire work done there. Yep.
Yeah, same.
Yep.
What
My
was
dad,
Craftsman
my
Sears?
dad used them
Yeah,
for
it
tires.
was.
Yep, you
Okay.
could, if
It
you
was
broke
Sears
one, you could
brand?
walk right into the store and hand a broken one to them. They give you a brand new one right on the spot. No
Yep.
questions asked.
Snap-on used to do that too, not to get sidetracked, but they were the same way. They had lifetime warranties.
Lowe's has Craftsman now, so you can replace them there.
Oh, really? See, now I didn't know that.
Oh,
Did
okay.
you hear that, Mark?
I heard with Costco, it has a lifetime warranty, everything, even if you've eaten it, used it, whatever. You can bring it in years later and exchange, get a brand new, whatever it
So
is.
the hot dog deal, you can bring
No,
it
not
back
the
in
hot
later.
dog.
Well, if you
Not the
already
next
ate it,
day.
I don't know if you
Close.
want to take
Not
it
the
back.
next day.
No,
She
but
said if
you
it
know,
was
like if you
eaten,
bought
you heard
food,
her.
or I'm saying eat it, use it, whatever. If it's food or whatever
Did
it
you
is.
guys hear that? You heard it
Yep.
again. She said you can
People
eat
have
the
brought
hot
back
dog.
things that were like half eaten and old, and got a brand new one.
Did you hear that? You
Oh.
can half
Yep.
eat your hot dog and bring it in and get a
You
brand
can
new
do
one.
that too. The hot dogs as well, I'm sure. But things that are really old that have all used up and ruined, bring it in and they'll give you a new one. You just hand up the old one.
Did you guys hear that? She's single-handedly pumping Costco hot dog stock.
Yeah, that's
Eat
ironic.
half,
My brother just put me
bring
on
it
his
back.
Costco card. I'm supposed to go get
Well,
it today.
Try it out. See,
I've got a used breakfast sandwich right now.
there you go. Take it in.
I'm gonna record it.
Record it too, so we can see how that goes.
He
They
said,
have
I got a
actually
used
changed.
breakfast sandwich.
They've actually changed the
Do I have to have
method
the receipt?
on electronics.
Oh.
Quick, the toilet sound. Quick.
He said, do I have to have the receipt?
Did you put
I
it
don't
back
think
in
you
the
even have to have the
trapper?
receipt. I don't know, but I haven't done it. But it's what I heard.
Just the
Just saying.
wrapper.
There
Just
goes
the
Spy.
wrapper.
There goes Spy. There goes Spy. Fine.
Wait a
Oh, I
minute.
shouldn't say it. Oh, damn it. Why'd I say
Wait
it?
a minute. There goes Spy
Nothing.
what?
Nothing. Look.
What are you calling out?
Look at the candle. It's going up. Watch. It was just way below the 9
Yesterday's
and below.
charts today.
Oh my.
I just,
It was just going down a minute ago.
Now you
Now
know
it's going
how,
up.
now you know how we feel every day.
right.
ADT needs to start the
Now see, I shouldn't
Christina
have said anything
Inverse
because now it's
Fund.
going down again.
Need to start the ADT Christina Inverse Fund.
Y'all are
Yes.
crazy, man.
Yep.
Well,
Yep.
I'm green. I don't know about you guys.
I'm
I'm
buying
green, so
putts
just
on
saying.
Christina.
No, I ain't going down today.
I wonder if her live data lapsed.
Oh, yeah, Christina,
My
you might
what?
want to check on that $2.99 real-time data.
Coach, stop it.
Oh shit! Are you kidding me?
David, come in and drop the
no.
bombs. Nice. He dropped
That
the.
could be. That could be because all my payments have failed everywhere now.
Yep.
So
Now don't
I've
feel
had it
bad.
happen. People had it like talk to me about it in one-on-ones where I don't understand it. You
Yeah, it's
guys are
not
talking
keeping
about
up.
this and I have that, and they don't have live data.
Oh no.
oh shit!
Yeah, they're
What
on
do you
a.
guys see for Spy? What do you see for price right now?
What is it? 15 minute. Isn't it, David? If they don't have real-time data, it's like a 15
Don't tell me that.
minute.
Well, it's going up right now. It's going, isn't it? 598.51, 598.56, 55. Am I right or wrong?
We'll
55,
see. We'll see.
54.
We'll
No,
see.
see, tell me now.
Oh, she's doing perfectly diddling in the middle.
Yep.
I bought it a long time ago. I bought it on a 2-minute EWO.
Oh, well, good job.
That's right.
Bitcoin's over 102.
Hey, she said, yeah, if you got in on the 2-minute EWO, shoot,
Sure did.
you ain't got no worries.
I know. But still, I'd like to know if I got the right price.
What do you mean? You?
I don't want to be 15 minutes behind.
No. You're right. It's at 60, 59,
No.
63, 61, as long as it's
Yep.
bouncing. Yeah,
Okay, good. Thank you.
You would know if you don't have real-time data. It's on a 15-minute delay. So
Would
you
I
would
know,
know. You'd be like, wow, this is crazy. What if you were on a 15-minute chart and it's just stuck? Christina's
And,
like, it must be consolidating.
Just the Apple broke the double top, and that's the reason why we hold on to runners.
Now look at it now.
Did
See?
it? Let's
I
take
said
a
look.
look.
No, don't look now. It just turned. Oh, it just turned. As soon as I said, never mind. I'm not gonna say nothing.
Yeah, you're right. Look at Apple. Just made new high. That double top, 246.20, new high over there. You're right. That's
Oh,
why
what the
that's
frick
why
are
we
you-
got that rule in place, right? Hold it.
And I held 5 runners on the way down through VWAP, but we didn't get a strong break under VWAP. And
Yeah.
then we had our pre-market levels right there. So I was waiting to see if it broke that pre-market level.
Yep.
It never did and came back.
Yeah, that's beautiful. And it came back with a vengeance.
Screenshot.
Voxel. Hold it to upside.
Oh my gosh. Boxel again? For crying out loud. Boxel just crushing it. 213%. Now again, right? Training moment right here with Boxel. I need you guys to look at this. If you guys are scalping on the 1 minute, look at this. This white line, right? This is my 9. Okay. This purple line, this is my 21. So this is my 9. This is my 21. These are EMAs. Okay. These are the main indicators that we use, along with this is VWAP. Let me just draw the whole thing out. Okay. So this is what we're using. Now the 200 is probably way down here. That's why we can't see it. But if you look at this, it's respected this 9 the whole way. It broke through once right here, still held, broke through here and hit the 21. Okay, now the reason I always say is if I'm scalping it and it pulls through the 9, right, my 21 is the last stop. I don't want nothing to do with this, right? If it breaks through this 21 here. Now, obviously, if you're in a 2-minute EWO, this has nothing to do with you. I'm talking about, right, the 1-minute scalpers, okay? Because if it breaks through the 21, that is a sign of weakness. And then, of course, it would pull to VWAP, which is really close. And then it would really want to come down here. This is the 200, by the way, right here. Right? But again, you can see it respected the 9 all the way up here. Then it touched the 21 and bounced. This is why we trade that 9 and the 21 off of the 1-minute scalps. And you can see the way that it respects that level. And if you look at Apple over here, same thing. Look at the 1 minute. So you can see on the 9 is the white line. It touched the 21 here, stayed above it, and kept going. So if you were scalping, not the 2-minute EWO, if you were scalping Apple, do you guys see how that worked and did the exact same thing? All right, good. There you go, media team. There's another video for you. All right. And Boxel is suspended to the upside. Unhalt time, 10:51:19 on Boxel. Nice job, everybody. Good job.
Hey, Coach, can you take a look at MBOT, please?
MBOT. I see it. All right. So you're up here on this double top at 2. What is this trying to be? 290? I mean, technically it's, yeah. So now this one's in a tough spot. Let me get this off the big screen. Hold on. MBOT. So this is a really tough spot. We're close to a double top, and you've got VWAP here. So this one is really crazy. Look at this topsy-turvy ridiculousness. Look at all this. 21, 200, 9, VWAP, double top. Can everybody see this? This is a lot of stuff right here. In, what is this, 5 cents? 3 cents. This is all in 3 cents. So guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I'd wait for the break of the double top, or I'd wait for this to break below the 200. Everybody see it?
Yes, sir.
Yep. I don't want to touch it here, and I sure the hell don't want to touch it in this spot, right? So if you guys look at this from here in this stuff, I don't want this at all. And we're only talking literally 3 cents. So again, wait for it to break down below here, or wait for you to get the break and hold of confirmation up here on this double top. That's what I would do. And this stuff right here, this is a no no fly zone, right? Does everybody see that?
Hey,
Yes.
shit, question real quick.
Yes,
Real
go.
quick.
Yes, Coach.
Yeah, go ahead.
Back on that voxel, when it broke the 9, it kind of broke pattern. When it bounced off the 21 and came back up, is that considered being back on track now, or is it
Yes,
still?
absolutely. Yep. Anytime it bounces the 21, it's back to bullish. And if it's obviously the other way, it's back to bearish. That I always think of it like this, and this is how I always envision this in my head, that this 21 is like the spine, right? This is the backbone. This is your spine, right? I always think of this as, this is why I always say the buck stops here. The 21 to me on my scalp is everything. I don't ever want it going below the 21. I mean, ever, right? So if you look at it, right here, as long as it stays above the 21, I'm good. I want it to stay above the 9, obviously, right? Like all of this. But the 9 is the backbone, right? Think of the 9 on your 1 minute scalp like VWAP the whole way. So if you are scalping on a 1 minute, think of that 21 as VWAP, because remember, VWAP might be way the hell down here, but your 21 is going to follow it just like your 9 does, right? It's going to stay in close coordination where VWAP won't, but your 21 and your 9 will. Make sense?
Yep. Thanks.
Yep. It's everything. For me, on my scalping, it's everything. Christina, SPY new high.
Coach, would you say Amazon's super heavy right now?
Let me take a look.
Yes, I know. Thank you.
Yeah, good job.
Thanks.
2-minute EWO, Christina making it happen. Love that.
I'm so bored with it though. I want to scalp
I
so
know
bad.
it.
But...
Bored of making money.
Yep.
Let's see.
Just bored.
Amazon. Yeah, I can see it. It's getting heavy on the vine here. I can see what you're looking at, partner. Same drill though, right? If I'm scalping on the 1 minute, this 2 minute is everything. You guys see this? Or I'm sorry, this 21 is everything to me, right? It's the same drill. Now let me pull out and look at the 2 minute. Now, if you look at the 2 minute, your 2 minute is hanging on the 9. You see it?
And if it breaks the 9, you're out on a put.
Well, I mean, it depends on what the trade is. If I'm in a 2 minute EWO, none of this mattered because you got in way the hell down here, right?
Oh, just a scalp.
Yeah, if I'm in a scalp, let me go back. If I'm in a scalp, now it depends. If I'm in a scalp where I entered down here, I don't care about this. I'm watching, this level. So that doesn't bother me as much. But if I'm in tighter, right? Say I got in way the hell up here, I'm really paying attention to that because if this pulls, this can pull hard, right? And if it pulls, it's coming to here. So again, if this breaks, and you can see right now, zoom way in on this, you can see what support is. This can 228. 228 is support. See it?
Yep.
And we could tell that too, gang, by the way, because it touched here, body, right there. This is support, which tells me if you cannot hold here, right, then we're going to go down to these next two levels. Make sense? Otherwise, this is still all technically considered the 21. Even riding it, this is still riding on the 21. It is not a break and hold to the downside. Make sense?
I'm a little risky on this one, Coach. I'm in with a 10 on a put.
Oh, on a put? Partner, I don't know about that.
Early.
Yeah, you're going against the grain. This whole thing has been upside momentum, right? You're really going against the grain on that move, just so you know.
I'm out.
Okay, that's a very scary move that you're at. For me, that's freakish. The only reason is, everybody, even though this got a little heavy on the vine here, The upward momentum is still like all day upside. So if I'm looking at doing a put, I'm looking at it down here below 228, right? I don't want to do a put anywhere in here because this is where you're going to get the big pull. This is where it's going to do this and chop you all up. Does that make sense?
It does, Coach. Thank you. I'm the premature putty.
No. That's okay. That's okay. I like the way you're thinking. I like the way you saw that it was, coming down, right? But I'm not to the downside yet. I'm not. I've seen this so many times come down here, riding this 21. You can even see, right? You'll see this EWO will collapse, almost go, other color, and then volume comes in, rips people's face off. And you're like, but I thought it was, that's because the overall trend is up. So if you guys are buying puts, you better make damn sure you're in a gray area for it, okay?
That's helpful. Thanks, Coach.
Yep. So just be patient. No big deal. Wait it out. Wait for this 228. Because otherwise it's chop suey. But I do see what you saw. Absolutely. I can see this was curling down, right? So you thought it was getting really heavy, but I don't like it down yet. Not yet. Not to yet. 228. Mark it on your screen. So on my screen, I would take this line, make it red, and if you were going to trade it, just make it a huge red or make it a better red, like that. You see that? That'll tell me, hey, when we get down here, that's when I want to be looking at it because that means support fell out the bottom. Then I'll be watching this L2 just to make sure. I'll watch the time and sales. I want to see blood red. I want to see time and sales just look like just a sea of red, right? And here's
a journal, Coach, and every single Monday, literally, I usually am red on every Monday. I don't know what the hell is.
I can tell you. Typically on Mondays, people make more trades or get in early because you've been waiting all weekend. That's usually why. So we just had, now in your journal, you're going to write that down, right? That you're red on Monday so you can start figuring out. Oh, excuse me. So you can start figuring out why, right? By the way, I'm going to stick around with you guys for a little bit longer today. Is that all right?
Yes, please.
Just a couple more.
Yeah.
Just a couple
That's
more
good.
minutes.
Just don't hold us back.
Yeah. A couple more minutes. And I know.
I reckon so.
Yeah. VIP Gold breakout room. You guys can still run with that if you want at 11, or if everybody wants to wait till I leave, it's completely up to you guys. I don't mind either way. I'm not going to be offended. It's all right. Whatever you guys want to do. So if you guys do form the VIP Gold room, you can go over there. Otherwise, I'm going to stick around for just a little bit here. Try to guide us through a little bit more of this market. Because I see a lot of potential in the market, especially with SPY being up over 1%. It's just absolutely beautiful. Do you see how Amazon, though, is still in this zone? This still in this choppy chop. Like, what does this want to do, right? Still the same thing. Oh, you know what I can do while I'm in here? Kaizen, real quick, got in a car accident. One of our online moderators who helped us for a long time over on YouTube, moderating that channel. I'm looking for it. We've got a GoFundMe out here for him. If you would, where's it at, moderators? Can somebody post this for me? Do me a favor, post it in the stock lounge and tag everyone in it so it opens up to all eyes. That would be great. And there goes your Amazon pop to the upside. Do you see that, partner?
Apple's testing a small double top.
Thank you. Media team, you now have another training video off of Amazon, off of that key level of support. And there's your end video where it just came up here on a double top, okay? You know how we want to wrap it up in the very end. You want to see the end result. There was your end result. All right, there it is. Bruno, yes, thank you. Everybody do me a favor. You guys will see we just posted that GoFundMe over in the stock lounge. Do me a favor. I'm also going to post this on all of our channels everywhere. Hold on. This is going on YouTube. If they'll let me post it that long. If not, I'll shorten the link. Hold on. Amazon hit your double top pullback. Let me share this. Hold on. Oh, I don't think it's letting me. It's not. Thank you. It's not letting me share this whole thing. Let me shorten this link. Hold on. Shorten URL. Let's see if I can put this in here. Hold on. There we go. Let me verify it works. Okay, it does. All right, gang. I'm posting this out here right now. There's YouTube. There's Twitch. There's Zoom. I'm going out on X right now. All right, posting it now. Look at that Amazon double top pullback. Is that textbook? Anybody? Anybody? Did you get in on Amazon when it broke 228, or did you guys get in on this double top?
No, coach, I didn't.
Yeah, that's, again, double top, or you guys waited till the break of 228, right?
Your favorite move.
Yeah, it's just beautiful, right?
Yep.
Nice job.
There you go.
I just posted it on all the things. Do me a favor. You guys will see that now over on X. Listen, if you guys don't donate, just do me a favor, share it. Share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter, aka the X, share it on your Instagram Reels, share it on whatever you got, right? It will mean just as much if you guys cannot donate for you just to share it out. It's kind of like my YouTube videos, just for crying out loud, click the like button. Same with this, share it out. Let's go. See if we can boost this up right now. I'm watching it now. Renee, thank you. Oh, Renee's the organizer. Is that, oh, Renee, are you organizing this for them? Or, oh, that is Renee, my bad. All right, watching the donations now on it. Remember, there is a little bit of a delay. So if you guys would do me a favor, head on over there. Listen, $5, whatever you got, throw it in there. Appreciate that. You know I'll be over there today. I got to keep that drive alive. I think they said I think I said I was top 5 or 10% of 100 million people for donations on GoFundMe. You know I got to keep that drive alive. I can't have that stat fall down. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Not sure if everybody called out Fubo, but it's to the upside.
Oh, good. Oh, yep, Fubo. Yes. Yes. Remember Fubo? I said I like it above what? 363, right? You guys remember me telling you 363 and everybody should be hammering that thing, and now you guys are up 420. Anybody get in on that Fubo? That was a while ago.
I did, sir.
Nice.
Thank you.
Yes.
Up 70%, coach.
70%.
I got it, Scott. I got it, coach.
Yes.
I'm up 102%.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Great job.
Thank you, Callie, for the donation.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Callie.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, they're not.
Thank you, Don.
They're not showing up on my end, partner. It's it takes a while sometimes to refresh, like it's not showing up at all.
You're welcome. Hope it gets better real fast.
Yeah, for sure. Good job.
Say a prayer for him.
Appreciate all of y'all. Thank y'all very much.
What's his name again? I want to say a prayer for him.
Kaizen.
It's Kaizen.
Thank you.
His real name's Zane. So
Both names are cool.
That's right.
Yeah, they are.
And Gray, one of my favorite Western writers and a local resident in our state.
Very nice. Bear with me. I got to get my donation in there.
thank you, Coach.
You got it, partner.
Get your piece in, Coach.
That's right. It's making me jump through hoops here. Hold on. Bear with me.
Apple's running.
Oh, good. Oh, yeah, Apple. Great job over there. Goodness gracious.
The runners.
Love it.
Google double top, I think. You take a look at it.
Which one, partner? Did you say Google?
Yes.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
It is. I'm watching it. I'm
Yep.
in it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. It's at 1908, 1910. Yeah, anywhere from now to 1950 is technically, right, this top area. Because remember, being a $200 stock, that thing could be 20, 25 cents, 30 maybe, right, off. So if you're looking at, 199.10 up to 199.40 is still 30 cents. That's that whole window, right, where you're like, oh, is it the ceiling? Is it not? It is now. Just watch that thing for that 9. That's the biggest thing. You want it to, in the 1 minute, to stay way up high and get away from it. Google, yeah, it's up there. My internet is acting so slow. Oh, nice. There you go, partner. Mine's in.
Wow, thank you, Coach.
You're welcome.
Man, you're a lifesaver, man.
We'll get you there, brother. We'll get you there. Everybody do me a favor, right? Keep it going. One of our own is down. Let's go. You know what to do. Squirrel, we're all still in the room. Is the gold breakout room going on now, or you guys decided to wait till I leave? I wasn't sure.
It's scheduled. I posted in the Zoom chat for
Okay.
people if they want to wait. If
Okay.
not, then I guess somebody's got to
All
go
right.
over there.
They're asking in the membership lounge, is there a gold breakout room?
I don't know why you wouldn't want to stay here with Coach, but okay.
They might
I'll
not
go.
know that I'm in here. They might be like popping in from work or something.
Yeah,
you know?
that is true.
Yep,
I'll go over there.
All right, thank you.
And I think Nate had a meeting, so he may not be here.
Yeah, no worries. Trust me, there's tons of moderators that'll still assist. Awesome. Thank you, Ron. Thank you, Anonymous. Thank you, Allison. Thank you, Christina. Thank you, Dawn. Thank you, Callie. Thank you, Gregory, on the donations so far. Thank you, guys. You guys are awesome.
So welcome.
You're
welcome.
Just a bunch of beautiful souls. Okay, Google fighting up here at 199. Christina, how you doing on those spies?
Killing it.
Good job.
Just
I spy
sitting
with
here.
my little eye that you got in on the 2-minute EWO and you're still making money.
Yes.
Are you
It
like
goes up and down, it's not much,
Yeah.
but it's not red, so.
Well, and if you got in down there on the 2-minute, which was
Yeah.
like 9:38 this morning, oh my gosh. Yeah.
I did. Yeah.
Look at Apple rocket ship. Apple 2-minute EWO gang. You doing okay over there? Everybody all right?
Yes, sir. Runners are at 57%.
Oh my gosh. Nice job. Good job.
Coach, can you take a look at Tesla, please?
Yeah, absolutely. All right, Tesla. Did I look at this one earlier too? I don't remember. Yeah, 417.50 was everything on Tesla. You guys remember me saying that?
Yeah.
And then, of course, to the downside was this 413.70. Wait, isn't this the one where I said wait for it to go above or below? I don't remember now, but I do remember the 417.50 was the big deal of the day. And look at it. It hit it 1, 2, all of this again and again. Everybody see it? That means it's bearish, right? It could never come back. That's bearish.
Okay.
But right now you're on support, right? So now we want to be careful of this exact spot right now, which this is technically 414, by the way, even though it's off by 10 cents. But this is technically support at 414. So if you guys haven't done anything yet, if you're just sitting here waiting on Tesla right this second, now, good strategy could be a straddle now. The reason is you're either going to go lights out down here and then you'll kill the long, or you're going to climb back up here. I'd wait for the break of VWAP, right? But if you're coming back up, you already know if you come back up above this 21, I would kill the put here and take this ride. So all of this is profit. All of this down here is profit. Does everybody see how that works?
Yep.
That's
Yes,
one of
sir.
because think about it. I mean, obviously this is support, but it's extremely heavy, right? If you look at this, first of all, downside since open. No questions about it, right? Look at the trend. Downside since open. Bearish. Could not ever one time break and hold through VWAP after it. Bearish. Could not break back above this 417.50. Bearish. Like everything is downside. But it's support. So again, I don't want to be like, oh, I'm just going to hammer puts. Not here, you're not. You're going to do puts up here. Isn't it puts on resistance?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is where they buy the puts. Now down here, right? This is now we can start to look at this as a possibility to the downside. So now your straddle is starting to work. But wait on your straddle till what is this? 412. What is this? 412.50 to kill the other side. Let me look. Yep, it'd be close. Yeah, 412.50, right around that area. That's where I kill my calls and let my puts go, right? And then you've got to be careful at 411 because this is the natural double bottom. See it here? So little sticky here, but definitely more to the downside, right? Bearish. There it goes. Now everybody's getting paid on the trade, right? Good. Now remember what I said too, because Tesla has that tendency to pop $2. You already know if you're making money on the scalp, start collecting even during the run, right? So as this is coming down, I'm taking load off. Yes? I hope you're listening to the sound of my voice.
Yes, coach.
Thank you.
Yes, coach.
The reason is because the way Tesla moves,
Yes,
it can hit a support level and go $2 and you go, oh, where'd all my money go? Take it all the way down.
Okay.
Right? You could take a piece, 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 right? All the way. Tesla bounces, it's going to bounce hard. Now you guys are at a natural double bottom. We already know this right here. This is the double bottom bounce. You guys see this right here, right? This is the double bottom. You guys see it, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I'm doing TSLL, and that's a major bounce line.
Yeah,
for
it's
me.
the biggest one there is. Double top, double bottom.
Yep.
The largest there is.
Yep. Yeah.
This can be legal. Amazing.
That's awesome. Good job. That's why I said collect, 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 collect. Don't sit there and try. Do not get greedy. Now, if your Tesla breaks and holds below this 411, though, now I've got some strength to hold this thing for a bit. And now, if that's the case, we are going to look for this spot. You're going to look for close of day. You see it right here? As soon as this starts fighting between red and green at 0%, that will be support, right? Now, this is support. You see that area? Fighting between red and green, but I love it below our double bottom. Now we're at support. See it fighting red and green? I want to see this thing just bleed out to the downside. Then it'll have a lot of momentum to just let go. But it's going to fight. It's fighting here. Isn't it great when we know these areas so you know what to be prepared for? You know when to add, when to take off, right?
This is awesome, Coach.
Because I want you guys to think about it. If I'm in puts and I'm coming down to a major level of support, don't I want to take some weight off? And then when it breaks through support, don't I want to add weight on? Meaning add more. So this spot I take. If I'm in puts, I'm taking. And if I haven't done anything, now I'm in another straddle situation. Right? You guys did your straddle way the hell up here when I told you. Right? Same thing. If you've been sitting on the fence, you can do it right here too. Because you're either going to come back up and break through 412.50, or you're going to go lights out. Give this about 50 cents, which would be about 409.50 was where I would kill my calls. Otherwise, to the upside, 412.50, kill my puts. And the rest of this, obviously, you don't make any money till it breaks one or the other levels. Make sense, gang?
Makes sense, Coach.
Yep, yep.
I'm super green, by the way. No more blue Mondays.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
good job. Now, there's the bounce. And why did it bounce at this spot? Why this spot in space when I'm not looking at anything else?
There's a line of resistance.
Support.
It was previous day close, right?
Round number
Red to green.
Red to green, yep, which is previous day close, right? Isn't that exactly what I said to watch for? And that will be support, right?
Yes, sir.
And it was to the
you
exact
did.
percent, yes?
Yes, sir.
There you go. Media team, there's your next training video. Come up with some flashy SEO thing, and then you guys now have your results. You have the exact bounce. You can see it right to the exact percentage. You can zoom in on it. Media. And then to the right. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Good job.
I'm not trying to tell you guys how to do your job. I'm just thinking out loud. I know you guys have got it. Good job. Now think if you didn't know these areas, right? If you're like, oh, right, you loaded up puts right here. Everybody got FOMO, like, I'm going to short it. And then boing, and now you guys went red. And then you get out and you're like, well, wait a minute. You weren't supposed to, because if it's going to pull back, it's going to be on that 9. So you would kill it right here for a loss, and then it would pull and it would do exactly, oh, I knew it was going to do that. And then you get chopped up. And who am I talking to? Raise your hand. Come on. I see you, right? You bought puts here, and then you sold them here for a loss, and now it's going to pull back. And you're going to be like, damn it, why did I get out? And then you're like, every time I get in a trade, it goes against me. Yes? It's because you're not watching for these areas, right? Okay, good. Nice job.
Get to the chopper.
Yep, get to the chopper. You're getting chopped up, and there's your pullback off the 9, and you're like, oh, I got out. Right? Media team, there you go again.
Get to the chopper.
And that 411.82 is also previous day high.
Oh, nice job. Media
Over the
team
9 as well.
Media team, if you want to have the whole crowd stand up for applause on that move, you could do that if you wanted to. You know, whatever you want to do. But do you guys see what I mean? How many of you guys would have did exactly what I just said? You guys would have bought puts on FOMO, not knowing that that was the exact level that was going to be support. It bounces up here. You guys go red. You sell it off for a loss. And then it does pull back on the 9 and breaks through new lows where you guys should have already made money. But you panicked because you went red because you got in at the wrong time, not knowing what support was. Go ahead, open your mics. It's everybody in the room.
Sounds about right.
Yep, everybody in the room, go ahead. I've done it myself. Yep.
All the time.
Yep, I've done it. Trust me. I'll do it again. It's human. Human. We're not looking. We're just clicking buy, right? And going, oh, crap. Wait, what? Wait. Nice. Whose straddle paid off? Remember the straddle training that I gave you guys about 10 minutes ago for this exact trade? Whose is paying off? I gave you 2. No? Am I alone? All right. I'll just drink my Diet Mountain Dew. Thank you. Diesel Dan did. Morpheus did. Thank you. Is that it? All right.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
So I have been in futures, obviously, in Bitmain since 9:50.
Oh, wow.
And I'm still sitting in this.
Oh, my. That is glorious. That is a beautiful trade, huh?
Yeah. Yep. Good time.
Yes. Those of you, did you say 9:50? Is that Eastern?
Oh no, sorry, that's
8:50.
that'd be 10:50 Eastern. I got in at 101.138.
Nice job.
Yeah.
Good job. How has your trading been since you've been concentrating 1,000% on it? Are you just crushing it?
Yeah, no, I'm working on making sure that I know how to do the 2-minute EWO, and
Oh, good.
now it's time to smash some serious goals for 2025.
Nice job. How's that 2-minute EWO working out for you?
I love to scalp, but I'm doing it for the greater good.
Doing it to pad the account and grow a bunch of money first.
Absolutely.
Yep. That's why I tell everybody, right? If you guys are going to do something, start with the 2-minute EWO, right? Get your first, I don't know, couple million $1,000,000, and then do whatever the hell you want, right? Nothing wrong with that.
Really?
Yeah, just do what has a higher percentage of money to make, right? Just because the entry is on point, by the way, that's why. So therefore should equate to higher percentage. Ask David. He's 6 months green every single day. 2-minute EWO only. It's glorious. You guys still remember when David was back checking me when we started? David's like, hey, man, I've been back checking this. I've done this like, what'd you say? Like, I think the first time was like 46 times or something. I'm like, yeah, that's awesome. Keep me in the loop.
That very first time I had the courage to speak up, I had already done quite a bit of the
It was like that first video. You were so nervous. It was. I remember.
So, I didn't know if when I spoke up, he's gonna be like, "The hell are you talking about, kid? Get out of here!"
Hell, you doing checking my shit?
No, what did I tell you? I said that's awesome. Keep it up. Let us
I'm
know.
like, "Oh yeah, all right.
Yes,
we'll talk about it tomorrow." And I'm
Yeah.
like, "Oh my god, my stomach drops," and I'm like, "What do you mean we'll talk about it?"
like you got called into the principal's office.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it was 86 times.
Yeah,
too,
it was a
they tried.
lot.
Yeah, it was
It was.
86 times.
Yeah.
Yep.
I thought it
But
was
see,
90 some
so
times.
what a lot of people
It
miss is that
continued.
I had already done a bunch of testing in the little small stocks. And
Right.
so that was my batch where I was getting back into the bigger options. But what I had eventually figured out is that I could do better in little stocks. So I was doing a lot of the little stock trades and I was doing some option plays mixed in there.
Yep.
87 actually.
Was it 87? Yeah, that's
That's
awesome.
funny. Good job, Don.
And then I remember it got up to like 100, I think, like when everybody's, jaw dropped, I think he was at like 196 trades, and I think it was 95 or 96%.
Well, I'm still I'm still keeping track of everything. So I've done over 800 of the 6-star trades, and it's still over 82%.
Of course you are.
That is awesome.
I tell
That's
everybody in the
so
Saturday
crazy.
classes, I'm doing this for the long haul, and I'm making sure that I'm progressing. I want to get better every day. I'm not comparing myself to other people.
Right.
I'm comparing myself to yesterday.
Yes,
Good
absolutely.
deal, David.
Man, I love that. I love that. And my favorite thing too is the couple times that David has like increased the amount going from, 10 to 30 to 50 to 100 to 200 to 300, and now holy crap, it's 1,000 to 5,000 every day. I can't remember the last day you've had under 1,000.
No, I usually have enough in the account so I can take multiple trades, but I'm positioned in a dollar area that I'm very comfortable playing. So
Yes.
I know I don't need to get emotional about the loss because I've already come to the agreement in my mind that I'm okay with that.
Yes. It's just awesome. It's so awesome to see. You're keep it up. 2025 is going to be ridiculous. I want you guys to think about that. There's, we'll say 250 because it's 252 trading days. But let's say 250 days. 250 days at 1,000 a day is 250,000. He's on average probably closer to $3,000, right? So it's because he's having 5,000. We'll say 2,000. That's $500,000 on a
Well, then
$2,000
I'm at
day.
average because I'm sitting at 2,091 right now,
For
and
the
I got
day.
one runner that's still up 43%,
That's
and that
awesome.
open profit is 154 on just that single contract.
Yeah, that is, think about it, 2,000 a day, ladies and gentlemen, that's $500,000 per year. And that doesn't include the payroll he gets from here, right? That's just trading stocks. That's incredible. Absolutely love it. That's life-changing.
And it's following the rules, and that's why in the Apple chat I posted when I was getting out or not getting out, but when I was shaving at the top, when we
Yep.
had the top of 246,
Yep.
I posted that I was shaving. I gave the reasons why I was ultimately holding when we were testing VWAP. And then every single level on the way back up, we're looking for a break of this level. We need a retest because that's what I've seen you do a million times. We get a break of this level. Don't jump in. We need a retest of this.
Yes.
So each critical level we had was 245, 20 something area,
Yep.
about 25 to 28. So we got a breakthrough and then we got a retest. And then 246 was previously strong from larger history.
Yep.
We
I
got a
see
break
it.
of that. We came back and retested 246. And then
I
so like
see
right
it.
now,
Yeah.
we were looking at 247. We broke 247. And I said, if it retests 247 and holds, that's a good sign. And so I got rid of one when we broke under the 9, and I've got one left running to see what happens.
Yeah, those are all like right on the money spots. And you can see exactly where he was talking about. You guys see those retests? Retests? Like it's so important to know those key levels. It really is. Good job over there. By the way, speaking of another moderator that's just crushing it. David, by the way, absolutely love it. You know, when I write my book, I'm going to have to come and see you about all those statistics of the back tested stuff, right? So I can use
Yes,
it in
sir.
the book. Because you have more back testing than anybody else in history using the strategy, which is phenomenal. That's going to really help. So great job. By the way, before I forget, who is over there in our VIP Gold live Apple chat? Who's loving that program over there? Open your mics, let the world know.
Awesome to be part of it.
Love it, Coach.
I was going to say
Yes, Coach, love it.
thank you. David, I was going to say thank you to our one supporter.
Well, that one supporter, the one supporter is keeping me on track. So
That's
thank you
right.
for the one supporter.
That's right. Absolutely. Hell yeah, right? It only takes one, right? I love it. That is great. Mark, one of our other moderators, up today, $1,684. The reason I'm mentioning this is because I saw Mark in the was it last night? I don't know. It was super early. I'm always up.
We was up like the 900 last night.
Yeah, like
Last night,
$900
we were tearing
last
it up
night.
last night.
Yep. I just love it. Mark, you're loving futures, aren't you, partner?
It's okay.
It's okay. By the way, Mark's been cleaning up like 1,000 a day over there in the futures area. Just crushing it. If you guys are interested in either one of these, either one of our moderators' trainings, right? David's over there in a VIP Gold. You guys can catch him in the live Apple chat. And Mark is over in our futures training. You can catch him over in a futures membership every day from noon to 4. And David is in here every day until he leaves for the one-on-ones, which is typically anywhere between 11 and 12, whatever his schedule is. But he's with us, right, for a couple hours in the morning, walking you guys through the busiest part of the trades, right, the busiest part of the day. So I am live here every day with you guys from 9 to 11. I am live in the morning for VIP members starting at 8. Then I'm going to try to pop into the different rooms. I'm going to try to pop into the futures this afternoon. I want to really drive, right, some of our products and services that we have. You guys are going to see more of this face right in your faces. I want 2025. I want a 3 to 5 excess. That is my goal. So if I have to work 24/7 and be all up in your grills, that's what we're doing, man. Media team, keep up the great job. I want to see more output. If you guys are interested, by the way, in joining our media team, open up a ticket or just ask somewhere. You do have to have experience. If you're able to create videos, listen, you can do them on your phones, right? All the technology is out here. You can do it on your phone. If you know DaVinci, Final Cut, doesn't matter. We don't care. As long as you can make the videos, we don't have to babysit it. We'll help you guys, right, fine tune the way that we want them to look. We will give you a ton of free products and services here, right? We've got a lot of volunteers helping us out over in the media team. We appreciate that. We want to get our numbers up. I want us to have the most successful 2025 that anybody could have ever anticipated. Keep your eye out. I am going to be looking to join some other podcasts. So if you guys see me announce, I've already got one invite. It's pretty far away, so I'm going to have to see if I can do that one or not. But it is one of our with one of our leading competitors. So we'll see if I'm going to do that or not. That the invite is out there. We will see. But I do want to do some more work with other people. I want to get our names out there. We will be doing our podcast this year. I will be personally interviewing a lot of people that you guys hear every single day on our podcast. I think that's going to be exciting. So when I get closer to that, I'll let you guys know and who's going to be on the show. I want us to do more than we've ever done before because I think there are more and more people that we can help. So again, a couple things real quick. Don't forget about the affiliate link. If you guys go over, this isn't Amway. You're not selling crap. You're literally helping somebody out, okay? And if you don't believe in the program, don't give it to them. If you believe in what we're doing, you should already be yelling off the rooftop what's going on here, right? But use that affiliate program. You guys can get 30% for life. Everything they buy. They buy a membership program or a monthly membership, you get 30% every month. They buy an annual, you get 30% every year. They buy a lifetime, you get 30% of that $5,000, right? So whatever they buy using your link, you get it. So use it. I don't see enough people using it. Now I know we've given away like, I think $56,000 so far in affiliates. We want to give away more. We want to absolutely give away more. So user says, do you have competitors? I've been shopping around and you're by far the best community. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Absolutely appreciate that. Renee, you got your hand up. Talk to me, brother.
Yes, sir. I just wanted to say thank you to all the people that donated. And just got word that we're going to have 4 surgeries on his legs.
Oh, my gosh.
So, yeah, not too good, Coach. I don't know, man. I hope he's okay.
Absolutely. We're there with you, brother. Prayers going up. Everybody keep them in your thoughts and prayers, please.
Thank you, Lord.
Appreciate
Thank you, Coach.
Yeah, appreciate you, man. You keep us in the loop, all right?
I will. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Scary stuff, man. Life happens in a blink of an eye, right, everybody? Be safe out there. Love on each other. Give each other hugs, man. You don't know. Life, it's tough. Life happens so fast. When my wife told me she was just going to go do some small errands today, I'm like, can you not go today? Right? Even though it's just a little bit of snow. Listen, we came from Michigan. We're so used to snow, it's not funny. We were there 40 years, right? It's not like, oh, we can't drive in the snow. We used to drive in, 18 feet of snow. But here, there's no salt. So if it's just snow and no salt, right, and it compacts and it's cold enough, it's going to be ice with no salt, right? So it's not the same game. So I'm like, can you please not be today? I don't want the fun driving around, hanging out, doing the stuff. Like, if you have to, just get home. So please love on each other out there. Listen, I appreciate all of you. If you guys don't mind, I'm going to play my little marketing spiel here real quick. Thank you for letting me stick around for another hour with you guys. Hold on, let me play this real quick. Appreciate you guys. Hold one moment. So if you guys are interested in joining us, head on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You guys can sign up for a free Discord or one of our paid membership. Our first paid membership that we have is our regular premium membership. With that, you guys will get access to our Zoom. Inside of our Zoom, you will have a live open microphone. You will get live training and trading starting at around 8:45 until market close every day at 4 p.m. when the market is open. You guys will also receive the hot stock pick, the pre-market setup where we go over strategic levels of certain key different stocks throughout the day you can use, and also at the opening of the bell. As a regular paid member, you will also get the IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will get them first, plus all the videos on demand. We have around 11 videos to help you get started on your journey with us here at American Dream Trading. They'll go over things like day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, the wheel option strategy, our 2-minute EWO strategy that I have designed and developed from being in the stock market over 33 years. When you're ready to step it up, you can join our VIP membership. By the way, the premium membership starts at $200 a month. The VIP membership starts at $500 a month. With the VIP membership, you guys will get access to early training and trading starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's 12 hours of access to us with some of our self-made millionaires, mentors. And then you'll get training with me starting around 8 o'clock every single day. You guys will get the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put on a workshop class once per month. You will get all of the previous workshop classes and any future workshop classes as long as you're a paid member. You'll also get all the VIP training videos. We have over 50 beginner and advanced videos to help your journey. We also have the TradingView indicators. These are an overlay indicator system that goes on top of TradingView. It will require a subscription, which is about $15 a month. This is my 2-minute EWO strategy. You guys can use this with stock, options, futures, and crypto. If you're a VIP member and you want to step it up to our highest level that we have right now, which is VIP Gold, you can do that for an additional $250 a month. Now, with all of our services, you can buy monthly, quarterly, semi-quarterly, or annual, and sometimes we have lifetime deals on these. So make sure you guys are watching for deals. With the VIP Gold, you guys are going to get all the mastermind classes for free, and we have another one coming up. I will let you know when that is coming. You'll also get 1 hour of tech support where we can remote in and look at your systems and help you get set up with your charts, etc. This is not a one-on-one, but this is to help you get started if you need it. We also have weekend training every Saturday at 11 a.m. If you guys have busy lives and schedules and your jobs, right, are always in the way of you trying to get training, well, we have weekend training. We also have the VIP Gold Lounge access, the VIP Gold Priority Help Desk support. We have our news service where we're giving daily and weekly outlooks of the news. We also have breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 11 a.m. with our other self-made millionaires and mentors, so make sure you guys check that out. Everything inside of the VIP room is recorded, so all of these sessions are recorded for you, including all the training that I had mentioned before. You can catch all of this in the replays only for VIP Gold members, so if you have busy lives, everything is recorded for you. Of course, we have other things inside of the VIP Gold, like the 90-day challenge, the debt-free challenge, where we're helping you to become debt-free, and our brand new in beta live Apple chat, where you guys can watch one of our moderators, David over there, live trade Apple with the 2-minute EWO strategy that I have designed and developed. He has made currently at this time, as of December 2024, he is over $320,000 in profits that he has made using this strategy over the last 2 years. We also have our brand new futures membership. You guys will start getting training for futures from noon to 4 p.m. every day, and all the training videos, terminology, everything you need to get started in futures with our futures membership. With the futures membership, you guys also get the trading view indicators. So those are only available to VIP and futures members. Some of our a la carte services you guys can get, you can get a one-on-one with a moderator. We have all of our training videos like the mastermind classes, how to grow a small account part 1 and 2 when it's released, but you guys can buy those from our website. You guys can also get inside of our mentorship program. Our mentorship program is $500 a month. You will sit with me every Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern for an hour in a small, intimate group where we can go over larger items or just get you kickstarted, right? Can be IRAs, 401ks, SEP, anything you guys want to talk about, swing trading, day trading, right? Anything that you guys want to get inside of that room. It's just like having a one-on-one with me every single week. And again, those are all of our products and services you guys can get at any time by going to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Thank you guys. Appreciate that. Let me share the screen back out. Thank you guys for letting me hang out. Charles, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yeah, Coach. First, I want to thank you for all you're doing. Coach, is the crypto sale still on? And also, what platform will we be using?
It's really up to you, right? So Webull, you can do Bitcoin and some Ethereum and Doge and Shiba and stuff. Otherwise, you can look at some of the other ones like crypto.com, Binance, right? There's a bunch of them out there. If you're going to trade the big main ones, I'd just look at doing Webull, just like everything else, right? But if you want to get more into altcoins, you're going to have to look at something else. Obviously, Webull doesn't have that. So, and then, of course, make sure in your region that you can use it in your area. There's a lot of the apps that'll say, you can use them in 48 states. Well, make sure you're not in the 2 you can't. Some of them will say, well, you can use the app, but you can't use the website to do the purchasing. So there's some weird caveats. Just make sure, right? And by the way, if you guys are inside of the crypto lounge, all those conversations will be in there. We ask, what are you using? Where are you at? What are you looking at? So that's where the conversations are starting right now, is over there. And yes, the sale is going on, which is $500 for a year or $1,500 right now for a lifetime. And don't forget, any of you that add a new service, right? You're all entered. One of you is going to spin the wheel of cash for a chance to win up to $10,000. So anybody who adds a new service in the month of January, one of you is going to get a chance to spin that wheel. So thank you. Thank you for being here. All right, do me a favor. If anybody made any money today, open your mics, let the world know.
Coach, I did. Thank you.
I didn't go. I didn't lose no money today.
Yep.
Absolutely.
So much now, Mike.
Thank you.
I made $19.
Good job,
Let's
Emery.
go from
Good job.
Coach, I made my goal by 9:45 this morning.
Yes, Julian, that's what I'm talking about.
I met my goal for the week.
Oh my. Goal for the week? It's Monday, man. Take it easy.
Yes, sir. Yes,
To
sir.
calm down. That's pretty impressive.
I'm up
2%.
5.5% my whole account.
Good job.
I get 2% total account, Coach, and I am much more consistent green. Very few red days.
Oh, good job. Isn't that a great
Appreciate
feeling?
you.
Yes, you're welcome. Christina, did I hear you say you were 5%?
5.5%. Yep, total
nice,
account.
Nice job. You still in those SPY 2-minute EWOs?
Yeah,
Isn't that crazy good?
it is. But I gotta get out soon because I gotta get out of here. I got court today. So
All right,
I gotta
no
go.
worries. Might as well make a ton of money, right? Look at this thing. 2-minute EWO on SPY. Look at this monster.
Hours. I wish I had put tons of. Ugh. Wish I had a bunch of contracts. That would have been nice.
Happens. That's all right. Same
It's
with
all right.
VS. If you guys are in futures, same exact thing with futures, right? If you guys look at this on futures, the same exact thing. 2-minute EWO was triggered right here. This exact spot right there. And look at it all day long. 2-minute EWO. Tell me that doesn't work. David, what's up, partner?
I wanted to catch you before you leave and thank you for everything the past 2.5 years. And I ended up buying myself a new Silverado over the weekend.
What?
Well, you saw that I
Nice.
had
Congratulations. That's awesome.
another one earlier this year. And well, I had bought my daughter that Tahoe earlier this year. Well, we're getting rid of her Tahoe. She's taking my old truck, and then I got a new one.
Oh my gosh. Congratulations, dude.
That a boy.
That is so
That a
awesome.
boy.
That is so awesome.
Good job.
I love it.
Way to go, David.
I love it.
It'll be amazing.
That's awesome.
Good job, David.
Congrats.
I'll post some pictures in a little while.
Yes, please. That's so cool, man. And thank you, right? Thank you for doing all that you do. I appreciate you. You're awesome.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely. That's amazing. Well, I hope you guys had a great day. Thank you for letting me hang out with you guys for a little bit longer today. I'm going to try to jump in as much as I can here and there and help you guys out, get some of these programs kicked off. You guys will see me going live too with the cryptos soon. I want to get that thing going. I'm going to try to pop into Mark's stuff more with the futures. I'm going to try to get in there this afternoon, which is crazy because futures is going to kick off in 10 minutes. I just ran all the way to futures. Sorry, VIP Gold Breakout Room, but if you guys were in it, great. If not, sorry I took up all this extra time. I appreciate everybody. Don't forget, there's nothing going on Thursday. So there's going to be no mentorship. Don't beat me up. Everybody take a day off, chill, relax, watch videos, do the things. There's no market on Thursday. Everybody just take the damn day off and calm down. Relax. Go over your journals, review your notes, see what's going on, get ready for that Options Friday, do all the things, all right? Love your faces. Thank you all for being here. Oh, wow, David, that's really nice. I can see the pictures over in the Zoom. Oh, my gosh. Dude, that's beautiful. Holy crap. Is it okay if I share that picture with the world, the one of your truck? There's no license plate or anything on it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
I'm going to end up posting it in the lounger in the funhouse.
Yeah, this is nice. Hold on, let me share this. Hold on, this is beautiful. Hold on. Let me see if I can not blow this up. Hold on a minute. What is this? Is it gonna grab that? Give me 1 second. I'm gonna try. There it is. I think that's it. Oh, it's not grabbing it. Dang it. Sorry, YouTube Live, LinkedIn, all the things. It won't let me post that. I don't know why. Let me see. Why is it doing that? You guys can see it on Zoom though, right?
The white
Yes, sir.
truck?
Yeah, the white truck. Yep.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay, good.
Yeah, we can see it in a Discord too.
Nice. Sorry, I can't put it on the live for some reason. I don't know if it's because it's a picture and it's like freaking out on that or what. I don't know. Sorry, gang, but yeah, nice job. Congratulations, man. That's beautiful. That is a nice looking truck.
It's on the live. It's the main picture.
Yep. Okay. Awesome. Good. All right, gang. I'm out of here. Everybody have a blessed day. Love your faces. I will see you all tomorrow or this afternoon in the futures. So, Mark, I'll pop in there at some point and join you. I got to rest my voice for a minute before I come in there, and then I'll come over and we'll hang out.
Thanks, Coach. Have a good day.
Yep.
Thanks, Coach.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thanks, Coach.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thanks,
Everybody
Coach. Have a good one.
You're welcome. Have a blessed day. Thank you. See ya.
See ya.
See ya.